Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Pick up and let that down. Hey, 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 yeah. Hey. Up there, up there, up there, up there, up there, up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the leaf on the top of my mind, it comes up with a revival time. Everybody shake up your tambourine and praise the Lord.
Good afternoon. It's all about the Mixup University right and now. It's the University of what? Mixnopology. Greetings and respect, proper respect to all massive and crew. Welcome to another blast of Monday up in our sitting school time. Yo, we know some other people, them show based on school time. And for those who never know, this thing has started from the AC wall and fan wall, them call the show school. And a long time them a do it and thing. You understand? So I don't know about the beliefs, I pressure them think. Big up Lambert Brown and Ralston Hyman because, them have a big yard and them have a little thing on current affairs program where them call school time, And again, Lambert Brown and Ralston Hyman, them do them thing over there. And sit. Now, I don't know, say, I link with everybody about the place and things. So, large enough, because them have for them school thing, I go on and sit. All right. Blessings and respect. But our mix-up school is the University of Mixnopology. All right, everybody, all Jamaicans are present. If you are Jamaicans, say, whoop, 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 up there, up there, up there. As Vegas would have said, larger for yourself, man. Southside, you did it? Augustown, you did it. Waterhouse, you did it. And all I'm get to fabulous people them all across the beautiful country, Jamaica. Large upon yourself. Big up all our international listeners, them about New Jersey ladies. Large upon yourself. Donna Lishon and of course so Jella. All right, big up all of the linky them outside of New Jersey. Indeed. Big up all of my New York people. Hey, we have New York locker. Why? I don't even say nothing, I don't even say nothing. Why do you ever get several calls from Queens and I say, yo, you lock Queens? We say, Queens? I won't even bother ask. I will not even bother ask. I'm going to leave that one there alone and sitting. But large to put yourself all our international listeners all over the world. We don't know the thing global and we some mix-up entertainment. We have a new topic where we are kick off this week. Bali mix-up. You understand? We have a topic. We always work with that topic, But you can't call him but any mix-up on have. But we are talking about the Bali topic and any mix-up will involve somebody who a ball. You understand? Enemy, somebody lose something on a ball. You understand? Somebody broke up with somebody and them a ball. Somebody a ball if you come there back with them. You see? Yo, I'm telling that mix up here already, but we arrange it again. And a real thing, people. Real thing we are talking about. Real something we are talking about. I bring on a lady I start out and thing and I know some most Jamaican men don't really understand them emotions. You understand? Some more time them feel some things, them get all confused, this love thing or whatever and thing. Enough of them feel say them hardcore certain way and them immune to certain things and them can't feel love. So when there's some proper love, clot them in and then what's it now. Sometimes them poor thing they don't even know how I reach them. So that man has shot a real set out with him lady and thing and anybody who in love know what I talk about say. Sometimes when you're deep in love and you crack a sort out and thing, you don't even have to do nothing dramatic, the sort out does have a different feel, a different vibes and thing. So it look like him that I fall in love and I get deep in love. And then I shot the sort out and I shot the sort out and the love just a well up in him, so him a shot the sort. And him just a set up the something and the love a fly up in him at the same time fly. And when you take a start the weird the love and the start out to the combination just have him weak. Him no start ball. Then the ball him a ball right and the man just wheel up him and the other so Chloe. And give the woman one box cross her face and when she said, what you box me for? The man I said, I must obey your woman me. I must obey your woman me. Because I never saw to the woman and a ball so yet. I never saw to the woman. Hey girl, how you woman? That time I the sweet sitting and fly up in the head and you understand, you know. And clap the woman a box kind of ball. Because sometimes when something sweet, women more accustomed to this than we men. You know, because women can just cry because them happy. Sometimes when you OD on it, though, you know. And think, but you don't know, when you just ball, when you not feel something wonderful, when you just bust a ball, so. And think, then that reach him, man. And think a ball on the side out, that thing, and then go back to poor woman. That's why she never do that. Not a wobia. I love her take him, I nookie, I lock him and think. But a ball mix up with the pan, you understand? Ball mix up. So any mix up when you can't remember when somebody start ball. I want to know a big man who a ball or a big man who a ball. We want the shell down one. We don't want to call, we know, no boring morning, weepy type of thing. Right? Nobody call not somebody who a ball because somebody dead. That's not a mix up. That's something serious. That's you know, that somebody is deceased and you have the love for them. And you about that it. We know what you call about them type of balling thing. We want you call about bally something where we can laugh about. You understand? Don't want some shell down mix up but balling. And of course, if you have any other mix up, we want you call in and give them because we want the one them will pop way, the one them will slap way, the one them will up there. That's what the thing said. Well, you don't know, say it's a blast off Monday on the show right now. It's a high energy thing. So we're going to make the boss, crisscross, you know, cuspire, rinse some tune. When I get nervous, a while I go down. When I get nervous, what are the cross? What are the? Emily, you in the building? Answer.
Hey.
Root the back, look window, the Jeremy and the back of field window there, and sit there. Crisscross, how you stay?
I are here.
I are here. Crisscross.
Yeah.
No, man, you have to talk like Bounty Killer. You have to talk like Bounty Killer.
Hangry, I are here. See that?
You know, I are here.
Yeah, man.
And, well, Killer, that's sort of like going bust the hammer case.
Damn.
No, Killer, bust the hammer case, you know.
Yeah,
Yo, Killer, you see like how you bust the hammer case? My boss, nobody touch no more. Only one tool if you touch and I hear a tool. Not touch no more tool. Not touch no more tool. You see we have a shot a look at out with a atty and a look good girl, your lady so uncle a tool. Bounty Killer, if you see a man walk with her, Bounty man really walk next to with all a saw. You say move from here, sir. Not even pliers you want near your killer.
Bounty run him, boy.
Right? Yeah, Bounty for your man say toolbox and you say wait, one will have box. No, don't bring them near me. You understand? Cause you be the hammer thing killer. We don't want, you know, we don't want nothing else reach the eye certain way. Cause we say be ourselves and treat the girls them wonderful and sit in the Emily, your belly full.
Listen, this is a new year, yeah? Dress it up a bit.
What? No, but as I say, if your belly full, what happened to that?
Yes, I am.
Your belly full?
Yes.
Okay.
I had breakfast and lunch. I don't know
But you
about the
said
dinner
it,
part.
No, she. I'll take it in.
At 2011,
Well,
man. New thing.
What? So
Ma-
you had to bring up dinner for no dinner time yet.
Is it? Extra.
What?
No,
Hey,
man,
you know
they want slap up some strawberries.
Some stew fish.
No, get
Some
a man,
stew fish.
strawberries. Strawberries.
Okay then. Never large up yourself because you had a proper chef run. You big up Miss Clark to lock off the nationwide levels and
She's a
everything,
lemonade.
everything.
Yeah.
Oh.
Long time. Yo, lemonade are the best drink ever.
That's
Man,
true,
you
yeah.
Nobody wants it. Lemon.
Yeah.
Big up cranberry, big up this and that. But you don't know where to. And you have some sample drinks we just have ratings.
Yeah.
Carrot juice and sour sap and all them things there. You don't know.
But
lemonade.
lemonade
man.
are all it.
Lemonade are all it because I tell you say any ghetto some man in a like lemonade, a wicked them wicked.
True.
And them cut Jesus
And if you-
come and tell you. Yeah?
And if you don't have no lime, you squeeze the orange in the water.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
some
But
orange.
that is still not taste good. It
We
still
know
not taste
one,
good.
but you know,
It's still
lemonade.
Lemonade come like ninja, man. Just bill our vibes, man. You know what I mean?
No, man, I tell you, say, but when the thing when I say lemonade has been faithful and loyal.
Yeah.
Kool-Aid come and cut. Wally Juice come and cut lemonade and wall it with straight from Thine Kingdom come. Big up lemonade. Would I never turn my back on lemonade.
Don't.
But sometimes you go some place and man like give something limeade different from lemonade. Some of them use squash and all kind.
Yeah.
I don't know what I go on this. But a lemonade me say with dark sugar.
Yeah.
Mad.
And the
big up
equivalent-
people.
The equivalent to lemonade on the streets are bag juice. Cause we see them a do a thing. No man, we see them a do a thing. It's like a half a treat, half a fine a bag juice, you know. Seriously.
No, just well, no say your neighbors drink cut pan bag.
Yeah, but you know.
So nobody run in with the bag juice.
can't put bag
I
juice
get the
on
bag
it.
juice.
No, it's true. I be orange juice, them start selling fruit juice.
Can't put
Like
juice on
bag
lemonade.
juice now, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Yeah. But you know what I not forget though? Snow cone.
Snow cone.
Yeah, man.
Oh yeah.
Gilbert, baby, you don't know snow cone.
I never say I don't know it. I know
What?
snow cone.
But what you gonna say about snow cone?
I'm just really not a fan of it.
Well, how you feel like snow cone?
Why?
All of me get the people them and know say snow cone after we sitting there for a long time. I want to listen, hey. I want to you.
I hear
My girl
cricket.
snow cone was a jam back in the day, man. I want to you. For real, yo. The only thing that it cramp out your hand, because we used to get it in our hand, you know.
You know your hand in
I
the
think-
little cup something.
No, when you see it, you don't even know the 100. When we used to buy snow cone, we used to get the ice in our hand and then put the syrup right. Them shear the ice with the little iron something, rub it. One man near Upper in front of Calabar all late down at James Street there. Not down at Smith Lane side there and thing. I went Upper shear off the ice, you know, the little silver iron something. And then they put it out, and then sometimes I use that thing and make it round. And sometimes you add the red syrup always there, but sometimes you get out some different color syrup.
Yeah,
you get
yellow,
all
yellow.
and you get
Yeah.
all green.
Yeah.
And all them thing them. And then the people them who did not follow politics and thing, you know, like the labor right, them never want the red. Brand them
Yo,
and
but just
thing.
I realize a long
And the
time
PNP
recession
them
there.
never want. Eh?
A long time recession there.
But you know, you must say it all the while, and people are talking about recession, this and that. We are in recession long time. You understand? Yeah, man, big up Sky Juice too. Like when I talk the selector, I talk real Sky Juice. Because you don't know that the plastic bag there and the straw and sitting, you have your bun and cheese and your Sky Juice and thing. But dog, you mess up if the bag slip out of your hand.
Where say everything just gone one time.
Everything
One
gone
time.
One time. Them thing that could have bought me. But anyway, DJ Chris Cross, you're the boss. We just want you to kick off some tune and make everybody find themselves. We don't want nobody lost. Whoa, Overton Poet, so read some tune and the blast off Monday. Bunks it low. Well, if a man to the girl have a new dance when big and nasty. I want to see that one day. Yeah, big up all of the man, man, so them are the real star boy around them, are star the woman them show. Big up all of the boys lesbian, them who listen me right now and beg to them just say, I'm still going to make every effort to get me off a radio. May God bless you, know. Me and Master, God bless you, know. Even though I know some most I don't believe in a God anyway, but that's why I will always be to me. Everything is everything. Okay, people, it's about 60 minutes till 2 o'clock. That means it's a good time for...
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Can you believe it? True stories from around the world that make you say, what? Poop, what? Jesus, did anything really can go so? You see it. And for can you believe it, today we are in the continent of Africa, the country Uganda, in Africa. And here that mix up here. Women knock out men with chloroform on breasts, then rub them. Women knock out men with chloroform on breasts, then rub them. Ugandan police have released a warning about criminal gangs in the country that use women to lure men into sexual trysts to rub them after they are rendered unconscious with chloroform smeared on the woman's breasts. Police say traveling businessmen who tend to carry more cash should be extra careful while in Uganda. The victims were robbed of their belongings, including clothes, and found naked in an unconscious state. Most were unable to remember what happened after they became intimately involved with the woman. Uganda's Criminal Investigations Directorate, Fred Enanga, said the gangs could be comprised of many members and added that the source of the chemical sedative is unknown. Again, people say, well, go on there in Uganda, where the people them a do, where the woman them a do, them rub chloroform. You know, chloroform, the same thing where them did I use over Portmore and I make people drop asleep and pass out and all them things, and then them empty in the house. A drama they were, you know, what go on. I mean, it's still a go on in Jamaica too, but not as much as it was before. Because me support more people not stop. Leave container in the mouth full of water will absorb the chloroform. But anyway, that sitting there. When you watch a movie and you see them put it in a little rag or a kerchief and put it over the person's nose and mouth and then pass out and all them things there. The woman them a rub up them things upon them breasts. And I guess when the man them go down and, you know, start, you know, shall we say, interact with the twins or the ladies, upper twins, and so forth, it caused them to pass out and then they rub out them what's it now. But when I say then if them rub the chloroform on them breasts, and the chloroform now, it's not supposed to affect the woman them too. Chris Cross, what do you say? Cross, if them rub the chloroform on them breasts, or the chloroform now affect the woman them too? Now, well, big and serious, as something where you really have to get close to it, though. Mm-hmm. That's why when you watch, you ever notice when you watch a movie, them put it right up on the people, them put it on a rock and put it right up on the people, them nose and things. So, probably one of them things there.
But we never get the essential point. What the reason for them actually put it there, son?
For rob the man them, because when the man them start, you know.
Do the things them,
yeah, like them sit on the breast and the man them and the man start deal with it and then them just pass out. And them really wrap them in a car, them take away all them clothes and everything left them naked. You know, Emily them a go hard, but not lie.
Are the breast robbery that?
Yeah. No cross, the man them mad. Tambourine, the man them mad. You see the breast robbery that.
I'm tell you.
Are the breast robbery that you ever hear about? No, but you can't imagine all them man they confused now when the man left and them don't even know it's a chloroform which him. I said, you know what? I just look like the breast me get and it mashed me up so you can't imagine it. No, hey, some breed of things are around the place, man. Some breed of robbery. All right, yo, you know say ear sell, right? You know say woman buy ear, right, Cross? You know, say in Brazil, like Brazilian women are known for having apparently some long, beautiful hair. Mm-hmm. We read, I can't believe you have some money that drive around and I cut off the woman them hair, you know.
I lie. And do what with it?
Why?
Not gonna sell it. You must think I joke. Then, all right, you see when the woman them buy hair, one of the hype with the ear thing is if them say, no, and a false ear and a plastic ear, this is a human ear. This. You never hear them with it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So them, you know, them have a hype about human ear. So what them did that do, Brazil, is that basically them have this human ear.
No, sir.
And you know, so Brazil have a problem with people, them a deplete the rainforest. Mm-hmm. Well, you see, them a cut down on the forest. No, hey, if you really pay attention to everything we are going on in the world and decide, say, you have to avoid everything. You know, say, you know, come out of here, yeah?
I true that, you know. I true.
Come out of your yard,
true,
man. If you really pay attention to everything we around the place out there. So you hear me this now. You know, come out of your yard, man. You just get paranoid and you're afraid for beard.
No. You are the one.
No, I know say that. I know that you ever say. But you must tell Chris Cross, you know fear issue anytime Portmore get cool, right?
Oh.
No.
Hold on, no, we are Chris Cross at time. We are
Chris Cross.
Chris Cross. You see, anytime Portmore get, you see from Portmore no cool, our favorite line on the wall, you know. Our two best friend them, soap and water. Our soap, rag and water, Ray and beer things. You see, anytime the time get really cool, you hear she start sound out like, I can't understand how some people want to be there, man.
I lie.
All of a sudden, no, man, with them, when I can't understand how somebody would just take a deal.
You're not going to Zion, you're not for Zion Gate.
I grab some subtle hint.
You're not going to Zion Gate.
All of a sudden, no, I can't understand how. Then she have a next talk, you know. Like if it's like a beard, you hear she say, my mother say if you're not used to it, I'm not for do it.
I'm like, oh my God. You see,
God, Michelle.
Oh my God. You have Jeremy Rooney dead. No, and the water. And with tea. A tea. You light and wicked.
With tea what? With tea what?
No, when my mother say if I normally drink tea, it don't mean. It says my mother drink it now because my body used to the ice water thing. You have to stop telling like and rag soap and water. You see how you mix me?
Me think I tell me say you beard in a tea.
You're the one you know. I'm mad, but I'm not so mad.
No, Chris Cross, she have a style, you see. You see, anytime something come up and like she will do it, she start sound out some look creative, like some look creative out, you know.
No,
I
but
love it. Involve Mrs. Mighty.
Yeah.
But Mrs. Mighty said, you know, I'm not used to the thing, I'm not for do it. So I'm not used to them cool so I'm not do it. Because shock will kill me. I'm going to catch pneumonia and beating.
It's like, Jesus Christ. No, you said people got prison. You love tell lie pan beard. You is a little wicked, yeah.
No, but you see
that's why you ever stink of perfume. We know your secret, yeah.
No. First of all, I don't wear perfume.
I mean cologne. My bad,
okay,
cologne.
all right. Okay, get with it. 2011, darling. Couscous. And then where we are, slap. Pie. $2.
Some body wash.
It's like Chris Cross. It's like my girl, walla double. Pie. Double box. All right. Now, what me I say? What me did I say? Me a boy, I me them cuss all the while because when me in a beard, me not afraid for some beard. And me come. Then I remember the bossy people
well,
me that
when you're not beard, you're not afraid for say a beard?
Me not afraid for some beard. That's what should I say. Yo, look, don't rampant me, you know. I'm back to the Tambourine.
No, you don't, you know. Michelle pointed and I go with it, and we don't want that. You know, yeah.
Me rather go because when water pressure low, me talk it's a water pressure low. I'm be with the bad pan, me talk it's be with the bad pan. And I love when me done soap up and me wash up and me lift up the pan of water and just dash pan my body because it feel nice. Yeah.
Well on. When water pressure low, you still beard?
Of course. And me say low pipe.
Then why you sound so defensive?
No, because I just eat it about the matter now.
Alright, no, well, bigger part of the people when water pressure low and the water barely a drip come out. And we stand up and that see me. I want to start move up my body.
Yeah,
the drip catch aside.
Yeah, for
and then we move. Hey, them time there's some dance really about, you know. Because we have to move in a slow motion. And you just move and come over and make the water catch a look aside after 5 minutes. And then
I have a position underneath it. But me not like when the water cool, a couple times when I me say boil water and pan it. Yeah.
And boil water.
No, because I don't have a water heater. I'm not going to say I have a water heater. So I say bubbly cool water on the stove. And dilute with little cold water.
You see the cold water thing.
I not like it.
I not join it. I not care nobody wants. I not join it. Hey, anytime I go live somewhere, man, the first thing hot water there. The place could have pretty looking more. I'm not going in there with hot water there. You're lucky. Hey, I suffer with cold water. I grew up when I go to school, you know.
Oh, God.
Hey, it was an agonizing thing for me a morning time when I be and stand up and I watch the water fall a good 15 minutes first before I build up the courage to go underneath it, you know.
I'm
not afraid for that.
For the evening, you could have sun the water. I say if I even ship it up and you could have sun the water. Yeah, man.
Nasty
Raga, are you would have been gone nasty?
Why you say when I bust the dance long time?
Yeah, man.
The dance, the elephant man, I bust it long time. No, sir, hey. Hey, let me tell you. All right, talking God truth, if any of you ever do this. You ever beard and the water so cold that you wet the rag and soap it up first and don't ever wet up on the set before you soap up.
What that go?
What? Alright, don't want to beard, don't you wet up first.
Oh, yeah. Wet up first.
Alright. The water ever so cold that you wet the rag and soap up the rag.
And then soap up before me wet up?
Yeah, Raga, you don't know them
Yeah.
call it dry wipe.
Yo, well on. And that's it, name.
Raga, you have to born and grow Manchester to know these things.
I
Dry wipe.
never know that one. What name? Dry wipe.
Dry wipe, man. Man, tell you.
I'm not lie.
It's a technique.
I'm not lie. You have a 4-letter word in a Jamaica. I'm not lie. On many occasions, me did have to rinse it. Not anymore.
What a
I'm not
tidy.
lie. Tidy.
Yeah.
Tidy. I'm not lie. I'm not lie. Back in the day, me said tidy. Hey, you see, I don't mean afraid of Duppy because tenement here, my man angry in the bathroom. I always find
Yeah,
where you live there.
Duppy that them place then.
And Duppy-
Dark. The bathroom dark.
And me say, base upon veranda.
Proper way.
Base upon veranda. You're lucky not up in a box, me, then me naked and a beard.
Go see
It's
the
not
old
happening.
food. Go see the old food on the veranda.
I know say my mother was a mischief woman. My mother always a tell me about when you beard at night time, you know, for bend over when you soap up your foot. so we say, why? Dumpy with trouble you. And when me get older, me a match out the thing and I said, then, what my mother did really, I said. And when me get older, I said, that if my mother tell me, say, when you beard at night time,
Yeah.
don't bend over when you soap up your foot. God, Dumpy with trouble you.
Yeah.
And woman, basically, my man did tell me say you have some geared up here terrorize people back in the
Oh, then we tickle your fancy.
day. Yeah. Them running. And that my mother did that. My mother did that protect me from the geared up in them and that did that go on. No.
Hey, but me know-
when me get...
You know, everybody at Jamaica do this. Just left the water front and then just stand up for a good 5 minutes and we say run in. Yeah, that thing.
Hello,
Yeah, that
God,
thing
man,
can
if you
skip
see-
where I skip or run in pan it.
I ain't sure you're running, man.
You
Give
better
us a
run
tip,
out.
tip,
Yeah, you have to run in and get busy. You know what I mean?
Get busy.
What?
I tell you. I'm gonna tell you already. I'm gonna don't talk. When me did Connecticut one time, I look a utility crisis reach the place. Me give them a week in the winter, them man. 1 week me give them.
Lad,
man.
I could have dropped a little Uggies. No, sir.
man. No. Hey, wanna keep on forget a waddy wipe shot, you know.
Oh, I'm forgot your band long time. Sorry.
Okay, you know worry yourself. A waddy wipes around the place. Nah, man. Hey. Any wipes it come about long time. Yet more would be enough time. Hello. Anyway, people, the can you believe it again today? Again was it was what again we are chat about some damn sitting.
Yeah, man.
Some woman in Uganda
Yeah.
rub chloroform
On
on
her
them breasts,
breast.
and when the man them start do the things them to them breasts, the man them pass out and them rub them all the whole of them clothes and everything. In Uganda, so if you go Uganda, you may want to ignore the phrase that has long existed in Jamaica, which is the breast is best. That was
Believe it? Oh my god, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my god, do you believe that?
I mix up and blend that time.
I want to call and talk up the things them.
Yeah, man, welcome back up in I set. Here we go. I'm going to read some email right now. Again, new topic where I kick off, though. I kick off a new topic. Bally mix up. New topic where I kick off. I'm going to read some of them email now. First email. Mr. Raga, one of my friends meet a guy on Facebook who live a foreign. Him come down here and them hook up and them do them thing I want hotel. When him go back up, him send her a picture of a casket with a note that says, "Welcome to the world of AIDS." Raga no wicked him wicked. Yo, star. Emily,
Yeah.
that cool.
Bad.
Wayman said him have AIDS and him go sleep with her. And
Yeah.
that him said to her, though.
But we
Him is that she meet him on Facebook, him a foreigner, them come down and them go hotel, go
Oh,
do the
she
things
live
and
here
go
and
start.
him come down, right?
Yeah, him come down to Jamaica and thing, and then them go hotel, go do them thing. And when him go back up, him send her back a picture with a casket. A picture of a casket with a note, and the note say, "Welcome to the world of AIDS."
But believe it or not, I know some people not gonna agree with me, but she careless.
No, it's not that them want agree with it. Them are going to say, "Why you blame she for him if you blame him wicked?" But you're right, she careless. Yeah, she careless.
Boy, that
I mean, you can't meet a man on Facebook and him just fly down and you dash out the Sydney game and
Don't.
welcome to the world of, yeah, I wonder if you really have it for true. I'm just, I said that for mash up, all right.
I don't think nobody would have just fly, come down, for do that for mash up somebody.
Nah, man, I want to tell you that, but yeah, there have been a few cases of people who have AIDS that go around and sleep with people, you know.
So now that me I say that's why I'm come down, because I would just come down so if he want to mash up our maids for just send her the picture as a prank. Him really have it if he
what
would
I
have
mean,
come down.
you don't know what could have happened when him come down here.
Oh, all that too white at.
You don't know what could have happened when him come down here. He could have tell her that stress her out. She could have broke him foot some. I don't know. You know, sometimes people just do some wicked things to make you feel like say the world has come to an end. That time nothing no go so.
Don't.
Yeah. And when we do pregnancy mix up, look how much woman look what we get to a mix up from Rhode Island. A girl, they are Jamaica with her boyfriend and I go foreign and she go boyfriend, she go foreign, the boy convince her say she for breed feed and thing, but she never want to do it and thing and whatever and then she tell him she a breed feed, but she never breed feed. And when she come up now, she have him, I talk to him on phone a long time, I'll put phone on her belly, and him a say hello to the baby. That time she not breathing. I mean, say him stop telling the baby good night and beer things and whatever. But here I know, him go find an ex-woman, and then go write her and tell her, say, that time she close to him and his mother,
Yeah.
Write her and go tell her, say, well, the thing ain't not going to work. Him have a new woman, but him still want him pitney and force you. So as from now, you don't talk to me, just talk to my mother.
Oh, that him tell the one who says she pregnant.
The one who tell him she's pregnant. That time she not pregnant, That's story I wrote that. But me just show you some people who do something to mash up your head. You know what she do now? She call him mother. And tell him, say, she got dash for the pitney. Dash for the belly.
What the mother said?
Then the mother said, no, I'm going to talk to him and the mother, because the mother look forward to her first grand and whatever, this and that. Then him and the woman now start get up in a one woolly for drama and Ray, and vex and think she wicked. She think she one of the wickedest woman there is and whatever. And what I say, the point is, she mash up the men. But then you have a wannabe grandmother who was stressed and broken hearted and think over picnic, that over picnic whenever did exist. Sometimes I say you never know what could have gone down, If, sometimes some people run some things and whatever, but if I really saw it go, if I really saw the mix up go, boy, I'm cool.
Boy, my head gone and me. Like me, I feel that female there and me.
And she can never forget that the line that whether it goes or not goes. Welcome to the world of AIDS.
I want him to send an email or him send like a picture.
No. Him send back a, well, I'm read that. Him send back a picture of a casket with a note that says, welcome to the world of AIDS.
But funny enough, go see her when she pick up that little parcel that said, boy, I wonder if a little Benjamin in the envelope. Because when people are saying like them little thing there, I wonder if them put out a little 20 night. Oh, God.
Yeah. I look for a Benjamin and get a Madden.
Don't.
It's that. people, bear with me. I we eat bad things make laugh.
No.
If you don't mind. Next email. Yo, Raga, I want to hear a clash between Howard Stern, king of all media, and you, Ragashanti, the king of Mixup. What? People that sit down and think of them sitting. That's what I'm doing. Yeah, Howard Stern. Like people that tell me, say, yeah, you know, Mr. Man at the radio station, they want to like, right? The other host, right? We are right the people, they want to tell them, so them not for advertise them. You know him, right?
Yeah.
All right, you have some supporters, right? My supporters, them rate me.
Don't tell me so them call.
No, man, they not call, but they must see me and say, I got if a clash him, man, and beat him in a tune. I'm up to them people, man. That the man that know music like war, would that kill me, would that done me. You think say me a fool?
No.
Nah, man, when me sit down and listen that the man, the clash man and thing, man, I'm my wickedest thing out there, man, when it come to music. Me not like him now, but I rate him when it come to that, though, because me mature them way there, you know.
Yeah.
Me cannot like somebody, you know, but still see where some goodness in you or some talent in you are sitting, or whatever. Hold on, now, we have any time? No. Okay. Okay, I'm going to read our next email right now. What clash room? I never clashed that man there with tune. He would have done me like, wow. Get that email. Raga, I want you big up my boyfriend who I mind him Chinese child. But him and him girl are two black people. I say, Raga, one day me and him attack on the phone. I'm only here when somebody come to him say, you know you pick the boy? Raga, all know the girl still live at him house with him Chinese child. The worst part about it is that him no remember sleeping with her. I say him fool, Raga, him foolish. Well, I know. What go on here, so anyway?
Put it away. You know you always say, some man deserve what them get.
Oh, you for own a picnic. Or you for be a black man. And you're there with a black woman. And you own a Chinese picnic. And then I'm going to tell your sister say, and you know something not too remember when me and her actually dog. I remember I start out, you know. I remember some kissing her going, but I'm not quite sure if we did do anything after that.
No,
well, you own the picnic. You know, some man are low. Some man shame, man. Shame, man. Next email. Hi, Mr. Shanti. What does the saying mean that short people tear up sheet? Please help, as I need to explain this to my English-born counterpart. Your assistance would be greatly appreciated. Also, a visit to the United Kingdom, Birmingham, would be very much enjoyed by all who would attend. From Rusty Rebel. You ever hear that term? You ever hear that phrase yet? You ever hear that phrase yet, Michelle?
No, actually more.
You never hear the phrase say short man tear up sheet?
No, honestly, no.
Somebody explain it for one I wall. Somebody explain it for one I wall. Next email. Raga, I want to big up the holy Christian woman who breed. And I tell people, say, adopt a belly. Raga, when the woman have the picnic, the woman father bury the baby alive. And people start to wonder where the belly and where the picnic there. So them call police. When the police them come dig up and find a big bouncing baby boy. People from all boards come look at the baby. At St. Mary this happened. You can call anybody where you know up there and make them confirm it. Well, me know what if people at St. Mary, so me have to go you hear them as right as Emily?
Me I hear it, man. But you wicked.
Say the woman say a dopey belly, and apparently the father believe it. And when the baby born, they must put the baby in one box and bury the baby alive. And people hear about it and call on police and be a thing, and when them come dig up back the thing quick or so. Them say the baby alive and thing and whatever, this and that. And
that's a wickedness.
no, it's when people believe them thing. When people believe them thing, them will lamp on them something there, you know. Hey, you think I know me I hear about dopey belly and dopey belly?
Yeah, me know, but when me I say for a Christian lady, I say she have dopey belly, you must know it really gone bad. You understand what
But
I
they
say?
might be Christian, but they still believe what they believe.
Boy, believe.
Hey,
believe,
let me tell you, right pan that show you one night time for one whole week. Who do we convince Jamaican woman them say Dopey now sleep with them at night time.
Oh, yeah, I remember.
Wally man call in and I said, no, Raga, true. Dopey sleep with me and Dopey sex them and Dopey sort them out and all them something. You think you can't tell them say nothing no go so? A whole heap of people out there believe say Dopey I sex them off at night time. And them have to protect themselves from it and whatever. And you know when a woman there with a man, we love Jamaican woman believe. When them there with a man and them have them husband and the husband dead.
Yeah.
You know what them do?
Yeah,
You
man.
have to wear red underwear and you have to cut off whatever.
You give him a little gift, a send-off
Yes.
gift.
I look a send off people, you know exactly what that is.
Yeah.
At the funeral. You can't put it in a coffee from over a funeral parlor, you know. But some of them love for those kind of, when them a ball, them bend over and just kind of
Sneak it in, smooth.
Yeah. Me can't watch it when me go in funeral. Let me see. Me ever watch a baby mother them, you know. Sometimes, hey, you know when the drama nice, you see when the man have a wife,
Yeah.
I wait name there, and them have a look two bonner girl or so, who can't really too go up to the body
Yeah,
as well.
yeah,
like a
them
bro.
can't
But you
freeze up.
know them cut off them ear and have them ear there, I'm afraid in the car, them want to put it in at the cover, because them claim to
Yeah.
them the want the man. The dopey come back, come sort them out. But two them are mate,
Yeah.
and two them did the hide, but them still believe the things them can't really walk up to the coffin and thing and then some of them who can walk up there, them have a friend walk up there. and
Beside them,
like,
to kind of
somebody
block it
put-
off a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Or what them do,
Sometimes
them do a little extra balling thing and create, why, and, you know,
And
for kind of
drop
distract
in.
the crowd and just kindly prips it down, you know?
Man, I know all a woman pan South pay and deacon for put it in the fair.
Lord, so the deacon,
Then I deacon say money. The money now run.
no, but me,
Why in business?
but
And
him
just put
touchy,
like
you know.
No, but a lot of Jamaican women, you cannot convince them say, nothing go so. And a big thing that out there because people, that's one of the purpose of this show, you know, to expose you to the belief system, the whole in a Jamaica that's still strong. But people don't discuss on radio every day. I mean, I'm telling the people, a whole heap of Jamaicans still believe, say, you have spirit, we sleep with them at night time. I big up Miss Capleton from Montego Bay, and Miss Capleton say, oh, you can't tell Miss Capleton say nothing go so. Miss Capleton come on radio and hold it. Say she have to lock her window at night time because you don't know through the window them did come and do the thing.
Sneaking through the window.
Yeah,
Like
Miss
breeze.
Capleton say when she asleep, she have to pray to God for like keep her foot them straight because she say when she bend her knee,
Yeah.
you know, like the dopey must see the bend knee and catch a look of prips and catch a vibes and fly through the window and want to do
You
the
get
things.
excited.
Yeah, dopey get in
Tear
a heat, man.
shell
I want
down.
to run in for the thing, come shell it down and thing, you see. But you can't tell him say nothing go so, man. But you see, my argument is this, which go back to the whole thing when I tell you, so my mother always tell me, say, when you are beard at night time, don't bend over when you are so lift up your foot. And then when me ask her why, she said, no, Duppy will trouble you.
Cause
And when
them
me
a
get
pre
older, and when me get older, me I said, then if my mother was specifically saying,
Yeah.
don't bend over, with
Yeah.
the implication being that it's only when you bend over then go in trouble you.
Then because she got
Then when me get older, my mother did and God at that time, he really pick up when my mother did I say.
Cause
She
them
just never want to explain.
don't be a fast by a long time. Like them pre and them just
No,
a wait for-
no,
not
no,
you.
no.
What I'm
Right.
What
You
I'm
want to
saying
get
is
that because I don't
Duppy-
want nobody leave you. I'm going to say, yeah, Raga said, mother said, DW society, but when they did that beard with him.
No man, in the sense that Duppy a look for a little loophole, so you not forgive them more than more than you want them to see, basically. Leave it to their imagination.
No,
basically.
exactly. No, but my thing is this.
Yeah.
The assumption is always that, okay, if you have some human being who's straight, who are heterosexual, woman love man, man love woman, and you have some human being who are gay,
Yeah.
woman love woman and man love man, then if everybody dead, and the assumption is they continue with their sexuality when them dead, and if them believe, say, you have Duppy a sort out woman, my argument to them is, my question to them is, Why is always the dopey man and sort out the dopey woman? One, we don't hear say, we never hear nothing about no dopey woman and sort out dopey man. Dopey woman and sort out man.
Because them no waste time, them not have the time for nobody know more than them. And them say easy.
The dopey woman them.
Yeah, them not have the time for follow back on nobody.
The dopey woman them probably has to, yo, we have a hand full over here deal with the dopey man them.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Figure out go pick
come
up
back in the real realm. Come
but
take
so
up more than them can manage.
my question to you is, if them believe say, you have dopey as sort out the people them, right? Straight dopey, heterosexual dopey. Doesn't it logically follow then so you must have gay dopey too?
Well, because gay people have died. Yeah, you're right.
Because gay people dead?
Yeah.
And them never hear them say anything yet say, when gay people dead, then turn straight, when then turn dopey. I never hear that yet.
No, sir.
You understand? So, if you believe in them thing there, and you know, then you must, if he's a man, you have to take, you have to, the problem then now, because all the argument this started, one caller, and anybody remember that show, yeah, one caller did that tell about her bed and whatever this and that, and I had trouble, I said, oh, you sleeping in your bed? You don't cross with.
Yeah, something like that.
You never hear that?
Yeah, me hear that
you don't cross with, and when you leave your house, you must put pillow across your bed, and put your Bible upon a psalm and put it in a middle bed.
Because then we go and warm the bed when you come back.
Yeah,
you know?
I must put some red cloth upon the bed. Yeah, with some
but believe it or
red
not,
cloth.
you know, you see, once you don't believe a thing, it not going to really affect you, you know.
Not going to affect you. No, but
that's
when I say you can't tell them people who believe it though.
That's why I continually am to them because them believe.
Well, if anybody have any mix up on that, you know, about dopey asleep with anybody, you know, just call in. Because we're not ready for really talk about dopey mix up yet, but you know. But yo, we're gonna read a mix up about a place over here, and I won't even mix up over there. Caribbean Estate.
Oh.
You hear that one? We're gonna big up to the people who live at Caribbean Estate. We broke fight over there and end up in a them neighbor yard and mash up the people in kitchen. Also, big up the woman we catch her husband I sort out him best man over Caribbean Estate. Papa Jesus. Woman, she say, over Caribbean Estate, Portmore St. Catherine, Caribbean Estate, and that's a go on. Why? Yo. Woman catch her husband. I sort out the best man. That's why I tell you, you see this term about best man.
He is the best man.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, sir.
Even name Bill, you wrote the song Bill, come and take with the woman. I think, no, for real. This thing I name best man. Oh, if me ever married again, I tell her, that person can't name best man. He might have name chief groomsman or something.
Yeah, like how you have chief maid.
Chief bridesmaid,
yeah.
Chief groomsman. Me not supposed to get married and somebody else in a wedding party named best man. Now me are the best man, you're lucky. Now I'm the best man at my wedding. And me are the best man. And me them for call the best man.
Wait, say nobody no more than you.
Yeah, them for call me best. Yeah. Would I rather be called best man rather before them call me groom. Because me no want they are groom and then the best man I take her.
Yes, sad.
Me I buy the clothes and I groom her and the best man I take her. No, sir. Yeah, let me remind you of the landlines, and again, let me remind you of the numbers to call in, because we are going to mix up them now and sitting and a ball mix up with them. And when you call in and give us some mix up with people, a ball, some drama where somebody get up on a bus out, some co-balling and a ball over this or that, lose money, you know, relationship, them a ball and all kind of thing. I watch a movie and a ball and all them something there. And Ray. Well, I look a break right now when we're forward. We are going straight to the phone line for take your calls. On the topic, Volleyball mix-up or any other sample mix-up on have soon forward.
A mix-up and blender time.
I'm wanting to call and talk up the team.
Mix-up and blender family. You don't know we love to call them, you know. But nobody get we in no trouble. No bad word. No mention nobody name or where them come from. No say nothing we can identify them. Remember, we love the program, you know, and we want to keep it on the radio. So please, me I beg you to keep it clean. Hey, I laugh, learn and grow, say no. Hey, Raga, run the thing.
tambourine day, the tambourine day, the tambourine day, large up for the set, ball, mix up, call in and give us some ball, mix up. Alright, if you don't have any other shell down mix up, you just call in and rinse them, make we laugh, learn, and grow. And do remember, if you call in and we hear noise in the background, we're going to make you nervous, we're going to cut you off. If we hear the radio, if we hear a TV, we're going to cut you off and just so the thing set. You see it. And make sure, say, when you deep up on somebody with a mix-up, you don't call them name and don't use any information that will easily identify who the person is you're talking about. All right, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Hi, Raga. How are you doing?
I'm there. I give thanks. You know what I go down. Talk to me.
I'm very nervous. It's not a hot mix-up I have to tell you about, but one of them body mix-up kind of thing there, right?
All right.
When $100 they just come in, the $100 note they just come in.
Yeah.
I was going to church, right, and I had some friends coming over for lunch. So
right.
My sister gave me $200 to buy food to prepare for my friends. Anyway, I take bus now, so I go to town go buy the stuff to prepare the lunch. When I reach a town and go in my pocket, I say no money in my pocket. That's after 3 I reach. No money in my pocket. I say, what my $200 there? Then I check all my pocket them. I say, boy, I really realize the money gone. I say, I got put on a piece of ball in. I tell her, my boss, I tell her my head hurt me, you know. Anyway, I see this van, I discovered this lady, a man and a woman was in there. So the woman looked at me and said, what am I saying, where you boss for? I have my $200, you know, and the bus, I'm come off of the bus, and I said, no money. So the woman go in her bag and take out $100 and give me. I'm going to tell her thanks, and I'm going to buy a little of something, because them time the $100 they start and nothing, you know, so I'm going to buy a little something, manage to buy a little something.
So you stand up there and ball in front of everybody?
Ball, man. My ball, I walk, man. I tell you something, my ball, I put on pure balling, man. So, anyway, I go home.
I remember vividly up to today, you know?
I remember vividly as if it was yesterday or even today. I'm telling you, I had on a close.
No, you're good money where you work for, man. I pick somebody must pick you, you know?
No, well, actually, I never there work, and my sister give me the money, as I tell you. But I tell you, I feel it. You understand? Because I say, imagine the people that come over for lunch and that I get to prepare the lunch for them, and I mean, all of that gone. Anyway, as I tell them, I get the $100 from the lady and I go buy a little stuff and I could manage to prepare something. And I said, boy, imagine if I tell the woman, say, $200 me lose. Maybe should all double it and give me 4 bills.
You hear you?
Yes.
Anyway, blessings to that mix up there. All right, take care.
Cool.
Take care. Somebody posted and said, Raga, a girl tell lie for me at school already. Sophia British, I said this. And when me rush that figure massacre class, one teacher hold on for me. Raga, my ball, because me never get for mash her down. All day the principal have me in my office. I say, I sit down. He give me about 3 glasses of water for drink the way on my back. Yo, people, me see that all the while, you know. You never see how some people, like, them just get so mad, them start ball, but I know, not like nobody not do nothing for make them cry. Them now, it's like an anger cry. You have some people are fighting and say, I told you, I don't do. And I just angry, you know.
Yeah, I see that enough time. Like, you know, when you want to lick the person and you can't get to lick them, you just start ball.
You
and
just
when
start
you
ball
them
and it burn you. No, for real. I know, I want scary ball that do, you know. And time you see them people, you know, them eat, they, you know. Them not respond to anything what them are doing, you know. Yo, you know, say you have different type of ball, right?
Mm-hmm.
You know,
you can know when people dead, definitely.
All right. You ever see people a ball it and it's like them a take short breath.
Mm-hmm. Them in a temper.
Yeah, Pickney do it no.
Yeah.
Do it no. Like,
I have to give them the water for drink before them. Y'all are talk. I can't talk. And I mean did do and a shit.
Yeah.
That read over and she say, where is it? But I never me do it. We know them style, man.
Man.
For drop your cup of water.
Yo, somebody sending this door. Yeah, about the thing over Caribbean Estate. Raga, I true about the woman catch the man with our best man. Me live cross from Caribbean Estate. I'm anti-work over there. Yeah, big up my place. Anyway, the man always go check the man. When the woman there, so the woman I said, I'm a friend and thing. So one day she go work, and the man come in same time. Remember she said, them a friend. So she never didn't expect nothing. She turn out now and have to turn back, because she left her purse. And only if you see the man sort out her best man. Be things go on, she'll call police. Papa Jesus. Again, a woman catch a man sort out the best man for her wedding and thing. And really, hey, I tell you, that's why some of them nervous about that show, you know, because I don't even know. You don't even know who for trust for anything lately nowadays. Just yeah, two people are roll and say them a friend and y'all have to Cho. Anyway, my next call. Ball mix up or any other mix up. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello. Greetings.
Hello?
Yes. Hello.
Afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
Yeah, I have one volleyball mix up about myself. All right. About 3 years back, I work with this lady. So, you know, she a England thing, I'm help her sell downtown on Saturday. So, what I do now, I say I work and save my money because I want to start do something for myself. Anyway, I work hard, I'm throw my partner money and everything, I'm save the money, and the money come up to $20,000. So I say, all right, I go to the bank, and I go buy the US through the bank and send off the money, go give her a foreign. And she give me her account number and everything. I'm going to do that when I use the money and buy the US, I get $200. So she said, all right, because you know it come to December, so I send it her from October. So she buy the stuff, them kind of things cheaper than time, so I can make a money in December. Anyway, she get the money and thing, and she buy up every single thing for me, picnic clothes, teenager clothes, and so. So anyway, she come down now in the November, the ending part of November to December. So when she come down now, I not see my something them come. Me when she come in at the comedy at the shop, when she come in at the shop, she say, Lord, you go kill me car, me no carry down your something them auntie. Anyway, me I say, Ratty, that walk one now. So me say, all right. When me take a start now and start find out every little details and things, my things them come and they are the wharf, clear. But true, me say me I go start something for myself now. She don't want me start nothing for myself. Anyway, me determined and say, me have to try find out. But true, she that give me like a hint about 1 and 2 people at the wharf. And one teacher I did the way I used to teach me that. And one like a prep school, me go down there and find out and me link up the lady there. And up when me get the box already clear. She call the youth the B and say, you want, you know, me not make you get the things them, but through me want them, me just easy and me get them. When me come now...
Yeah, but go down to the meantime,
go down to it now. When me get them and thing now, me get them right down like December 19th, saying, when me not make no money again, Raga, I put down a piece of ball in.
Where did I ball for?
Now, to me lose me all of me money. Rather, me ball.
But you don't get the things them,
Yes, but me not make back no money, and when me get the things them take out.
Them thief them don't have.
No, she take them out and give her friend for sell downtown. Because when me get the list and me look on it, me not see them the clothes. Them want me get.
So she thief them from you?
Yeah, she take them out of the box and give her friend for sell them. So when me get me couldn't make nothing upon them.
Okay.
Me ball 2 days straight. Till me eye them fat. Me eye them fat and favor me piggy. Can me just a ball?
Me know them balling when the eye swelling, man. That when people ball and the eye swell, them don't look good, me I tell you. Them don't look good.
Me ball. From the day them, me no look on that woman there again. Me no talk to her again.
Cut her off right there, so.
Yes,
don't blame me. All right, blessings here.
Yeah, man. Cool.
Yo, we want to hear some volleyball mix up in terms of relationship. We want to hear some volleyball mix up in terms of relationship. We want to hear some crazy shit, right? Relationship issues that make people ball. All them things that we want to hear about. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Yes, I'm calling. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm calling about a relationship, volleyball and mix-up.
Yeah, man, tell me.
I don't know if you're gonna find it funny, but it's a friend of mine. I introduced him to my cousin. And when I introduced him to my cousin, everything was going good. I mean, you know, them sort of love at first sight thing, the fall for all of that. And then after I said no, like a month or so, he started to be real obsessive. He started to know, like, wanted to know everywhere she goes, what time she eat, what time she finish eat, what time, you know, and he started to get annoying. And every single time him call fearful when I don't get tired, him start calling my own. And I used to get real pissed off, and he was like, no, man, I didn't know him as this type of person.
Right.
Raga, trust me, she was getting so upset, she blocked him from everywhere. She blocked him from her Facebook, everything. The boy finds some other way and go in our Facebook profile to see every single thing what she do. And then he call my phone and ask me, say, if me can go in and see her Facebook and then unblock him. So I was like, no, dude,
he want you for going to her Facebook account and unblock him?
Unblock him, yeah, because him say him can't do without her anymore to see what she had up on the Facebook. So him don't know what she had up on her profile. But I told him no. But another friend of his, him asked him other friend and said, see him password for see him Facebook, but the friend never know what him a do. So when him go in at the friend, the friend is also a friend to my cousin. So when him go in for a feed profile, I say, yo man, why you give him your password? And he say, why? I say, yo, the man and post up all sorts of picture with her and him. This is my wife. This is the love of my life to be. It gets out of control. She gets afraid. So she said, listen to me, it's over. We go on party and she come there and me and him dead there. And with other friend, them I tell him to need to stop call her phone because she go in at the party with another gang. And I call her phone constantly I call her phone until everybody says, listen to me, I tell this. My friend take one phone from him sit down in front of me, Raga. Yo, B, just call her for me, no. May I beg you, just call her for me, no. Tell her something just want to know what she up to. Raga and start crying, living on through what I say. A 2 times we have sex, you know. A 2 times we have sex. I don't know how she do this to me, and a 2 times we have sex. But seriously, 2 times other friend them start, they do not because them I said, 2 times we have sex, and you want so. Mr. Raga, even until this day, I can't believe the whole drama where it get out of so much control. I'm auntie them, I call me and I tell me, say, yo, I need to send her up because they're afraid of me, because them I say, if I them the people, they may hang out with them the people, they will kill people because he was so obsessive.
You see, no, me know them type of people, you know, man, them. And you see all the balling there when them do too. It's a scary type of thing, you know, because at them, you see them people who are balling at them thing, that them was psycho and all, do some crazy something, you know.
Raga, I come out time way, you know. I got my left, I go out of the gate of the party, him come out there. My left, I come back, I go around at the back, him come out there. And he just literally beg me. And he's telling to people, I answer them a cuss me because, you know, them I say, what kind of man him be? Yo, why them a rush you? Them no fear rush you. Let me call. And the man got as far as calling my auntie phone or him get my auntie number, Raga. I don't know. 4 o'clock in the morning, him call my auntie, tell my auntie.
So weird. Him sit down and in front of us and look on us a 2 times sort out, you know.
Yes, that's him I tell my other friend them a 2 times we have sex with her, 2 times we do it and we don't do all shit. My friend them are dead with love because them a say 2 times and them a go on, so. And literally I can't live on 2 year water.
Hey, it look like is he that he might never say come see when it come to good sort out?
I tell every one of them.
It look like he may not get no work, man.
Have it good like that because it runs.
I fear sort out shell down. No, I sort No, yeah, some woman and some breed I sort out that will make man ball right after and say them in love, you know. What I'm tell you, man, hey, a real thing me I tell you, man. Me know how me go through it when me did younger. That can't happen to me now. That can't. That can't. I can't want sort out shell down. No, ball. I don't know feel certain thing. I feel deep with it.
He was crying. He was literally on the ground. I'm not exaggerate. He was literally on the ground crying to me.
No, man. Big up. What you say? Your cousin or your friend?
I'm a cousin.
No, man. Big up your cousin, man. I sort out shell down, man. You know, that boy get mad.
That
boy lose them head. That boy lose them head and sit down on a bar like idiot. No, man, your cousin Sato shell down, man.
Yeah,
So
forget
big up
to
the
lie,
woman.
say so that she'll listen to you right now.
Shall listen. Tell her, I said,
Yes,
big
sir,
up, tell her for big up person, because she have the volleyball Sato when boy get it, boy have a bar.
Then Raga,
Okay.
Raga,
Eh?
like how you
Whoa.
say that can't happen to you again. Suppose she for start out and it happened to you.
No, but that's what I say it would have never happened. I tell her. No care. Let me
It
tell you
never
how we
happened.
cool right there. No, woman can't. No, when me did young up, that thing them could have gone. But man a man right there now. Man a gangster. Man a
you
big
say
man
a
in the
gangster.
thing. I want to tell you. No, man.
Raga,
No, what
Raga, baby,
Me not say good work can't fly up in my head.
Because you know when man boast and brag and boast sometimes, when it come on to the nitty-gritty, trust me, you have to just turn it in and say,
No, if you listen me regularly, hold on. If you listen me regularly, you know, me are the man who, me not have nothing to prove to no man, you know. Me get done all the while because me admit it, say, yo, on average, when me a start out, is about a half hour, 40 minutes the most. This whole night thing and all them something that, me not afraid to tell nobody, me not depend on that. You understand?
Me like that,
You know,
me like
and
that.
no, me not afraid to tell nobody. Me not depend on it really. Me a bounce and then later on, couple hours later, we shot it again or whatever.
You shot it
But
again.
this thing,
What about
yeah,
the
but
fight?
this,
What about the fight? You think it is right? This is what I want to always do. You think it is okay for like, you know, you want but because I have certain people who move with and them out a look out for me, Kingston. You bust a 5 minutes or 2 minutes start out and then within like 2 minutes after the 2 minutes start out, you want to shot it again.
all right, let me be honest with you about that. You see, when men are young, you know, them teens and them early 20s, that is fine for them.
Okay.
Them will just keep on and go on. But in general, it's like some people the way them see the thing is like this 5 minutes and shot one and then 5 more minutes and shot one and I mean, I don't know.
But no, also like the shot behind the other because I'm very sexually active with me, but some of the time, trust me, sometimes I have to just lie down and just say, yeah, man, everything good, you're shot. What do you, man? You're the boss. And at the end of the day, I'm like, crap.
Oh, for real, because the man never did that go on with nothing, though.
I'm going to tell you.
Okay. I mean, yeah, go through that now?
Literally, yes.
Okay. So what you want different now? And go and use a coach same way.
Honestly, I need the whole romance. I need the whole, you know, start from head, go to, start from toe, go back up ahead.
So you want the romance, you want a man to make
More
you
the
love with
more the
love to
touch, more the little squeeze on the side and like you put
Right.
figure right. That's why you say, yo, stop it, no man. Like, you know, you really want to stop it, but you know.
Right,
Them
extend the
little thing,
foreplay
basically,
and them little thing there, whatever. Cause right, basically, yeah, so your experience right now is one bomb tank, man, ram, I mash up something and
No,
and
necessarily
then you,
that, you know. Basically, one time I go in at the cook shop and I do all of the cooking.
are you do all that
I do the
cooking?
cooking and I do the sharing and I do the washing up of the dishes. And
Then tell me something. Is it the case that what you want right now? You want a chef right now? Or that you
I
want
want
a
a
chef?
proper chef. I want
Oh,
a
me a
5-star restaurant chef.
Then hold on. Then what me I say is, in general, do you like to be the dominant one in the kitchen?
No, I mean, I don't mind doing it sometimes.
Right,
I don't mind, but I mean, like, constantly.
No, but you see,
No,
darling,
no,
darling. All right, let me go tell you something. You see, with people, and it applies both to men and women, they have a little term, a word that people always use, and it is like cliche now, but you see this thing and name communication.
Yeah.
You see, sometimes if a man, I can't tell you this, you see, if you always a lead, and you go so boom and you take charge and you start work it or whatever, you see, after a while, the man never got those things that's so you like to do it. And that's
No,
so
but
you
I
want it
talk
all the
about
time.
it. I have talked about it.
You have?
Like once before,
Okay.
and when I told him, I talked about it like once before, and then when I told him, and he was like, really? And I was like, yeah, and then he started, but, you know, it just, like, for like a 3 minutes, and then that was it.
No, I'm afraid. Yeah, you can't teach him to, man. When I say someone
I
want to
try.
teach,
I
man.
don't know. I'm not exaggerate. I'm not. Some of the time I get the whole, you know, you're abused, I'm tired, and some of the time I wonder if, you know, if I'm me, if something wrong with me, but I'm thinking that, you know, I've tried.
Oh.
I'm asking him what he would want me to do, and he tells me, and I do it. But when it comes down to me telling him what I want him to do, it's always like a little
No,
problem.
well, you
And then
need
some of the
to
time I
imprint.
just
Well,
can't bother with it,
somehow,
you
him
know.
not get it. Yeah, somehow him not get it. I have to try and make
Yeah,
sure.
so
him
I
get
just
it.
kind of just
You want it for
leave it right
last
now,
for a
just
while. You know, you want it for
little
last
back
for a while. You want the
Yeah.
romance part and
We want the whole
know.
enchilada, man.
yeah, you want to feel
Literally
girly
speaking.
in them arms, don't it? Don't it? You want to
Yeah.
feel girly in them arms and thing, and you just want to
Oh,
just take
Jesus,
charge of
man,
your
just
body and
sleep,
treat you like
man.
a
Oh,
gentle
gosh, man.
flower and just love every little minuscule part of your body and pay attention to some areas where you never even know so you can feel good and all
They
that.
can't stop
No,
now,
me just,
please. Thank you. You
no, me
can't
just I say,
yeah.
me just I say.
Yeah, but not say no more. I kind of get what you say. Don't say no more.
All right.
Please.
All right then, baby. All right.
Thank you.
That's our word here. But talk up to him and see when he can come with here. And I
All
use
right,
those
okay.
two words deliberately. Come with. Yeah. Blessings.
All right.
Yeah, man. Take care. Okay. Yo. Say you. Hey, when the people start ball over, boy, I don't know. I'm afraid all them women there too, you know. You get them to work and they start ball for you and all them things. No, sir. Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon, Raga.
Good afternoon. Yeah.
First time call years of listening to you. Raga, me have a baby. Say it like the boy, people them a tell I say, all right, me could get the taxi number and we deal with the taxi man case. She say, no, me don't want to know can the man got law or anything like that. The time she not pregnant, you know, Raga. Then the next time, no, she tells the boss which part she at work, that she pregnant. Everybody at work, them all a plan for have baby shower for her. She take maternity leave even before the time and say, oh, doctor say she fi take bed rest. Raga, she left, she go on leave, nobody not hear nothing about the baby. So till the boss go her house one day, go look for her. When the boss go, she no did it. The grandmother say, she, you know, say last night she fall down and she gone to hospital. The man asked which hospital. She say at the hospital in a St. Anne. When the boss reach at the hospital, not her body, you know, they at the hospital with that. Then so the boss call back. The grandmother no one say she not there at St. Anne's be. The grandmother say, you know what, say me just get me sister them flyer got torn. But the organization where she did a work with no, I feel work with the hospital. So the bigger boss now in the organization. The boss called the bigger boss and tell the bigger boss say she look like she lose the baby and she in a serious condition. So them have to go she fi call Tone and find out how she doing and so when they call Tone, they say nobody with that the name they not come in a Jubilee. And the grandmother say a Jubilee, she didn't know when them hear from the show, the girl never pregnant, none at all, and take how much maternity leave. Then now, in the last year now, she said she pregnant this time for true. You see, when them register the baby Raga, when them realize the woman say, upon the paper, when they say if she have baby before or if she ever have it, she put nil or whatever, she put say she never have no baby before. So them start questioning her now and I say then, oh, you say you have a baby before and you lose that the baby there. Warm to that the baby there. She says she not going on no details with nobody and if them ever dig up to find out anything about it, she'll make her lie and deal with it. Raga lie, the girl ain't a breed none at all, so the girl wicked and
But why she go through all of that? Why she go through all of that though? What she tell a big lie there for?
Because Raga a social lie. Because you see the boy where she there with the boy and him family them then just want baby.
Oh.
They want baby and the boy just interested to get a baby, so she play the boy big time. She play the man big time and then the organization
send on money and all these things and whatever, don't it?
And they say
maternity leave.
Yes, they call maternity leave.
Then well on, only they see the belly, only see belly.
The belly are just people who yam too much and the belly just get high. You know them people who over
Tambourine! Well on, they just read the news quick. I think I will come back here. Coming right back to you. Eh?
I mix up and blend that time. I'm wanting to call and talk up the things them.
Yeah, man. We're back in I sitting again, and I don't know how we say mix up entertainment right here. So with the king of mix up, that's me, Ragashanti, the principal, Mr. Washbelly. Back to a caller who I tell about one woman who got through one whole pregnancy drama, one big level alliance sitting. Yes, caller.
Yes, Raga. So me I tell you, see, she realized that the man, him well want a baby. So that's why she tell the man and him family them so much lie about the pregnancy. But I know, it look like she left and go, She not turn at the man yard. First she said the baby born a mobby open. Then she said the picnic born a sentence there. Sometimes she said the picnic born a yard. I know nobody don't know which part that the picnic they gone and where the picnic born.
Invisible picnic. Well, yeah, so woman, boy, may I tell you, say, you have a whole heap of woman I get her with murder with them something in amount of lie and deceit and fraud with them engaging and thing and whatever. And get her with it. Nobody no lock up. When a woman tell a man lie, say, she breed and this and that. You notice that nobody no lock up them woman, reach a point when them woman they get locked up. Your police lock up them woman and I say, no, you commit fraud and something terrible you do against man. When you make man a mind and all them something. No, in general, that do not. In general, people always find an excuse for it and them you burn out the woman, but them don't take it serious on a level. But when a man don't step up to a picnic when he's supposed to own or whatever and this and that.
Them can't accord. Mr. Ranga,
how wicked is that?
Mr. People are, at one stage, people are sorry for him and I say, man, a phantom belly did have. No phantom belly, a lie, the girl lie and wicked. And I try own up the man, the man she left her. That's why she got through all of that. Raga, I'll buy up whole heap of baby clothes, then got to tell the boy people them are firing. And the boy people them send one whole heap of things to her. And she knows say a lie in her breed.
She's a damn thief. That is what she is. There's no 2 ways about it. She's a damn thief.
She's a damn thief, Raga.
A wicked man. And she cut Jesus' slippers. You understand? She born the man with Satan. She born the man with Satan. Yeah. That's Jaguar. Eh? Anyway, bless. All wicked man. Anyway, blessings here.
Bless up, Raga.
All right, take care. Man. Okay, here we go to the phone lines again. Good afternoon. Hello? Hello? Uh-oh. Again, good afternoon. Hello?
Yes, Raga.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, me have a mix-up figure, but I don't know, baby, mother mix-up, I don't know that.
Yes,
I like a swiper boy.
Uh-huh.
They are pine tail. And I said, this boy, I look me in a Raga. The boy, I cute, everything, I look good in a Raga. So I look me, and I text my phone, and I say, oh, you love me, and I say, I don't know this boy, I feel not a long while.
Wait, talk up louder, yeah.
Say, I don't know this boy, I feel a long while, but the boy, I tell me, say, he love me and all of them things, the Raga. Well, anyway, me and him did it, and me and him talk and stuff, and him always call me. But one of the time, me and him text, and we had text about some personal details, and him ask me, say, if me ever get no swiping yet, Raga. So me tell him, say, no, me never do that yet. So me did
I chew you did attack.
Pardon me?
I chew you did attack.
If what?
Up to that time, no man never swipe you yet.
No, Raga, but a girl do it already. A girl did
all right, go on talk.
Yeah. And me did it. And me and him talk and stuff. So me always ask me if him think bigger stuff, cause
nobody go into details with that. Don't put it that way. Just say if him instrument is a nice size.
I mean, ask me if him think whatever and stuff, Raga.
Yeah.
So me will find out for myself and stuff, Raga. So one night, he said me come down here, I'm always tell me say, he been eager to get my body. and him hang shots and stuff, Raga. So me didn't know.
Hold on. You see, as you continue with the mix-up, just make sure so you code it up here.
Yes,
you know, a daytime radio with that one. So. Yeah,
Exactly.
all right? Go on.
Yeah.
All right. And everybody stay alert.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, go on.
So, me did it with the boy at the bed the night, Raga, and me did it, the boy a kiss me up and stuff. And then me noticed him a kiss go down too far, so push off him head.
Careful. Yeah.
Push off him head, and then him a say, oh, well, you know what me do it? So me say, what you do? And him say, you know see what me I do? And me say, no, me not in that car. Me did have this feeling for the boy, Raga. Me thought that my room could have settled down with her and stuff. But when him go do them things, the Raga, and then me never make him do it that time there. But then another time me go and yard again, and him offer to do it. And me make him do it, Raga. I won't make him do it, Raga. Me get to start find out. Me I hear things about him in a film community. Me I hear say him do them something regular to other girls and stuff. Raga, all one of my classmates, him do it too and stuff. And some little loose girl him a do it to Raga. So me I say, me can't stand with him. Me can't take them something there with him and stuff. And all of that him pace me if it was just be a swipe. And me can't take them things the more I feel the real thing.
So you had him never do the real thing?
Raga, the boy is something little like wow.
Oh,
little bad man.
Like what, finger? Like little
boy
finger?
Like me, Raga, me not even know if to describe it, you know, because the boy talk like somebody who did have it lock, you know. And when me and him finally reach in the bed, me frightened to see where him have frightened.
Okay, wait a minute. Why is that thumper something? Am I thumper?
Of course it's thumper, Raga. Some like the Rottweiler tail. It's a Raga. It's big in our community. It's big in our community where him live. Same I do them things, the Raga. So me no want to walk pan road with him and then him go. Then you hear my name big and broad.
Your name start ring up on island.
To Raga.
Say ya what? Next thing people gonna start call your plate. Raga. Next thing people say ya one nine plate.
No sir.
All right, respect for that
boy. The boy, me and the boy all did it one night again. He might go ask me say if me can't give him a 69. So me say what?
No, well on, we can't really talk about that, yeah? Yeah. But basically, we don't want to go in on no detail. But him ask if you're 69, and you tell him say you're not in that either, right? Yes. All right, we just leave it right there, so here.
Yeah.
But respect for the mix-up here. Blessings and respect. I look like that's the brother speciality, man. A theme thing that, you know. Yeah. Ball mix-up. Any mix-up involving somebody who a ball or sitting. Or if you have any other shell down turn up mix-up where you want to ring, just call in and talk up the things them, all right? Make sure it says a mix-up we're good and full of drama and some sitting night, all right? Again, ball mix-up or any other sample mix-up on up. To the phone lines we go. Oh, voila. Well on. We never do no time signal. I don't know. Oh, then will tell me. Anyway, here we go. Good afternoon. How you do?
Good afternoon, Raga. I want to mix up about myself.
Say that.
Why you big up to the man? We are the bonner man and me tell us me I left him in December and him ball and I drove like when you beat Pitney. I saw him ball and I drove and I wipe his face with his shirt. That time me did a ball, you know, but me well on left the man.
So what you say? At the bonner man this year talk about, right?
Yes.
And when you say him a ball, and him a do the ball where you draw, and you say when you say him a wipe his face with his shirt.
Yes, drop his shirt over his face and I wipe it off like any little baby. I peel off.
Yo, every Jamaican that listen know exactly what you're talking about, because they know he pick their ball and I drop and I hold the end of their shirt and I wipe their face.
You know.
Oh, yeah. We don't think we can't manage it. I bet I'm just dead and done. I bet I'm just dead.
You're too bad.
No, man, that's what you say to my ball and that drop. Eh? So, then tell me something. You left him for true? You left him for true?
Of course, of course.
So no more
True,
you
true,
not dash it
something.
out game no? No, but me I say you're not dash it out
No.
game. Okay.
Huh?
All right then, all right.
All right.
You
Take
think
care
that's
of yourself.
Yeah, man, blessings. All right, cool. Here we go, time sing.
Full of flavor, full of fun. Reggae Jam in France for everyone.
Reggae Jam in Frankfurters. Full of flavor, full of fun. Pick up a pack today. The time by Reggae Jam in Frankfurters is...
It's 16 minutes after 3 o'clock. All right, here we go. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greeting.
What Maraga?
There I know.
Anyway, I give one body Mixup.
Yeah.
This is when me and my friend used to go to high school.
Dark louder.
This is when me and my friend used to go to high school. Sometime in August now, me they meet this man. So you know, the school I open back in September. So anyway, now I go to school now, I start tell them about the man. The man a joke line at the thing in the Ragashanti, you know, say him having money.
Yeah.
Anyway, you know, like I said, 2 live at Portmore, so she normally come home with me. So the man come from your school and pick you up and carry you home. She drop off at my house. Anyway, you know, we did it. It's like I borrow her phone and call him. But me forgot to delete the number out of the phone. Anyway, you know, I call him and I tell him say if he can drop her around her house for me. But me never did go. He said, alright, no. Nothing happened that time there. I got one next time now we're there at school now and we can't get a phone go to school, so they did have phone first and she leave her phone with me. Anyway, you know, I'm going to message come in, somebody that I read it. Because we are friends. I'm going to send box because the inbox not really interest me. When I just start sending some text to the man, no one to talk about say, oh, me I play the man and one bag of something, Raga.
This is your friend?
Yeah, I'm a friend. I can't believe she do me this, Raga.
And your friend basically I write your link, the man who you and him a link and I tell him about you play him and all him something there.
Yeah, Raga, because to me nobody give him nothing. So she know I'm looking for herself now to see if she can get the things them from him. So she broke my foot saying Raga. And you know, I sit down and I ball and I say, no man, I can't make sure take him from me. Because I tell you, so the money sweet me, Raga. And you know, one day, you know, one Saturday, I call him and I say, come at the 2 hours at the beach or whatever. So we know so he's not the type of person to give nothing.
Yeah.
I said to him, we got a beach and we got a shower, we eat up some fish and drink some liquor or whatever. So I say, ready for go home now? So I say, no, I'm not ready for go home yet. Them telling no him phone I ring off, you know. Now my friend I call off him phone and I text off him phone. So I say, no man, I can't afford for you. Well, I say, no man, I can't afford for him.
Talk louder, man, yeah, whisper. Yeah.
No, I said, no, man, I can't afford him go link she. So I tell him, say, no, man, I want to spend some more time with you. So I'm going to check in one of the hotel rooms. And we did go for day. And I tell a lie, Raga, I give it to him proper. I said, the man start bawling. I said, no, baby, I want your friend at Tabo. I can't let you. No, man, I want to make a good stuff. And him start bawling and trembling, Raga. I said, no, man, I want you. Anyway, you know, I see that.
So yeah, when you dash it on funny, him start say, oh, your friend wicked so? Oh, your friend wicked so? No, sir. Oh, this good so?
Anyway, Raga, so you know, when you get back my link there, so that was a Saturday. So Monday, now, when I go to school now, she asked for always weekend and we are talking whatever. So she say, she tell me that she meet this man. Like, for instance, the man named Michael. Me call him Michael and she call him Mikey. So she start telling me about the same man now, you know. So I say, alright, when you go meet Mikey, like how you meet my link, and it's where we can go. She say, Mikey not really like meet friend and whatever. I say, alright, there's nothing wrong with that. I know so some man stay so. And you know, the man goes fast, must send her one text and say, him can't do it no longer, and whatever, must stay with me. I say, the girl get the text about lunchtime. I see the girl sit down in the cafeteria and just have ball. So I say, I want to you. I said, the girl have ball like when you know your mother dead. And you said, Jesus, this is what I going to do. I said, the girl have ball. And I said, no, I want to you. And she said, I can't believe it. The girl I catch asthma attack, Raga. But say you have to carry on a nurse, we have
carry her go sick be, carry her go infirmary.
Yeah, Raga, we say the girl is a ball, so now I know what is the girl. When me go
no, but then the time you know the 100, but you know me kind of wise.
No, I can't make sure know, Raga, because she broke my foot and I broke back CR1, I know nothing.
You see it?
So she ball, she go on the most way, Raga. So see, when I take the phone now, I see the text she come talk about, say. So I say, who for number this? And she say, I know that number here, and I use size for now. She say, what kind of number? Oh, Jesus, I can't see. Oi, and so she go on me and say, no, man, that girl that really something else. And up to this day, she can't even tell me. Say.
A wicked man. So you and her still link as friend?
No, we're not a friend like that. I'm a talk to her still, because you know you have to keep your enemies them close.
Okay. But you don't make her no wise all now. What did go do?
No, can't make her no wise. After this day, I still have the man.
You still have the man all now?
Of course. When something good in a Raga.
And are you that though?
I mean that.
Not for real, man. You have some man who can't spoil at time.
No, Raga. And a East Indian, you know it big and pretty.
East Indian, big and pretty. Oh, my Tambourine. No. But when you say big, that's relative, though. I really look like a black mango, don't
Yes, Raga. It big for the outside.
So what you say, when you dash it for the first time, him just start ball and I said, no, sir. How your friends so we can... Hey, can you know sometimes you get some good work, call the man and just a ball and say, I'm not left you, God, I'm not left you here. I'm not left you.
But so the man I go and rock and I sweat and I tremble and I say, no, baby. Oh, your friend I go on, so. No, man, you're good. Why? I said the man I go on, you know. I said, no, sir, I have to just sit down and laugh.
Go hear him, your friend too wicked. Oh, God, your friend wicked. Some man never know I say you're good, Lord. God have mercy, why? Man.
Alright, I gotta big up yourself, but you post more linky.
No say a word, man. Man has a respect here. Yo. Tamika love pumpkin, can't read or whatever. Hoffman. Tamika Hoffman. I see you make a post there, you know. But where you like, you're not easy, you know, girl, Pitney. You're not easy. Oh. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Afternoon,
Yadas, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself, Yadas. Mix up Yadas. Here we go. Yes, man. Greetings. How are you?
Great. How are you, Raga? Long time listener, first time caller.
All right.
Raga, I want to big up my boyfriend. Me and him talk from 2007. And every year, me and him go left. I don't know we can't left Raga. Raga, the money right. The money right, Raga. Money right,
Yo.
right. It's sometimes I get bent up on my nerves.
No. Help me to understand.
All right, Raga. Every year we go left. Him say no left on him ball.
Hold on. Hello, you're not listening. No. What I hear you what me just hear you say is this.
Raga,
every year you and your man are going left.
Yes,
but
Raga.
But you can't left, and right after that you say, God, the money right, the money right.
The money right. The money right,
So my
Raga.
question to you is this. What me hear for you right now is that you still there with him because of the money. And that you said to me?
Yes, Raga. The money, it's still out. Because, Raga,
that's why, hey, you know, say, hold on. That's why enough of them women, them bossy women who listen to the show and fight against the show and I go to broadcasting commission for them. That's why them not like the show. You know why? Because you don't just keep it real. And that I like. You don't just tell it like it is. Who not like it, who want to go drop asleep, But you just keep it real. You're not going to sit up and talk about his personality and what. You just tell us straight up. Say, yo, the money, for the money right.
Yes, Raga.
For you take care of them.
Talk up. He still live with his mother. His mother cook, his mother do everything. No time, Raga, we part. Me gone to my yard, him that female, and guess what? He ma come back for me, Raga. Already my ball, and the mother say, left fire, and me do everything for you, Raga, but me don't release business about that. Because every time
in mama ball out and I say, left fire, can me do everything for you?
Left fire, because Raga, she have two penny, one boy and one girl.
Yeah.
And her only boy, Raga, she said that she will do everything for him. Everything. Wash, cooking. Well, I can't say the sort out, it's proper. It's proper, but the more money and the more sort out, me say.
What?
More money, more sort out, Raga.
The more him give the money, the more you give him the sort out, don't it?
Yes, Raga. All sweeter. Bigger money, Raga. Bigger sort out.
So, what you say? Bigger money, sweeter sort out, no?
Yes, Raga. Sweeter all the way. Bigger money,
All
bigger sort out.
All right, let me ask you straight and play. You do the things them for him?
Like what, Raga?
The things them as radio with them. You do the things them for him?
Well, sometimes me will wash me now like but not all the while. More time we cook but not all the while. Me not go lie about a party. Cause me live by myself and he live with three mother. Sometimes him come, sometimes he go. That's what me and the mother can't agree.
Okay. No, with and that you refer to as the things them. All right. When me I say when it one of that sort out, I just regular sort out again.
No raga. Nothing moral.
No, me never tap on nothing specific, you know. Me just want because you say the more. All right, because me just want to get an understanding because you say the more money you get, the sweeter the sort out. So me never know if I quote that or whatever, but me understand what you're saying. So then tell me something. If the money done right and now sort out done too.
Yes, Raga, you cut off. No more roaming. Signal drop, Raga.
What?
No more roaming. Signal drop. No more roaming, Mr. Raga.
What you say? If the money stop run and thing, him phone stop pick up any bars, don't it?
Yes,
no more roaming. Signal drop. No, him can't even make a call, don't it?
Plain and straight and simple. Just like ABC, Raga.
So wait, so you stay in general when you deal with man?
No, Raga, I just give me now because every year you say things are go better, and it not get no better. You understand? And the only way me can get my way, I if me give my proper start out and him have to send on the money, because it's like you must pay me to stay. So you understand? But, but Raga, me not gonna lie, I have my man on the side. But after I have my man on the side.
You have your man on the side?
Yes, Raga, him just catch. Him catch there. Him catch.
How you feel about that one on the side? What kind of feelings you have for him, the one on the side?
Raga, I meant to tell you, him in the military. So you know, so I don't really see him as Austin, as I would want to see him, but I can't tell you, anytime him come, him just come. Anytime him gone, I just know say him gone. Him just step on the side. Him just catch Raga, him can't drop off anytime. But
no, but what you get from him? What you get from him? What you get from him? What you get from him?
Yeah, Soji, Raga?
Yeah, what you get from Soji? What you get from him?
Well, him not a really so proper, you know. Not really so proper, I'm not lie, but him a go on, him can't go on.
What you mean him not so proper? You know what when you say when you say him not proper, what you mean? What you mean?
Sometimes him come, him tired, and one little 2 minutes, start out, one little 5 minutes, and then the next time him gone. I not see him until one another 3 weeks again. And when him come, it's like anxiety, I kill him. So as him touch the promised land, so I Raga the gate just fly.
Okay, as him going at the living room in Papua.
Yes, Raga, every window door, everything just open up. Everything open up. For a long time him not start out.
Well, I break. We're so far. All
right, Raga.
Well, I don't move the way far. We're so far, people.
Mixup and Blenda family. You don't know we love no call them, no. But no bother get we in no trouble. No bad word. No mention nobody name or where them come from. No say nothing we can identify them. Remember, we love the program, you know, and we want to keep it on the radio. So please, me I beg you to keep it clean. Hey, I laugh, learn and grow, we say, no. Hey, Raga, run the thing.
I mix up and blend that time. I'm want to call and talk up the thing
Yeah, man, welcome back up in I sit now. We in a mix up here with a Carla, auntie. But Carla, what I want to hear from you is what attract you to Soji? Why you involved with Soji? What you get from the relationship? What you get from Soji in the relationship? Because you say Why you like
Alright.
Soji?
Who wants to the bonify, man? And me and him a come from far. You see, Raga, but it's like him live with his mother, and it's like him not really want to move from this. So, and it's like everything me do come like it's a problem because his mother will do anything for me. If I understand me, I say Raga.
Right.
If me not, it is no problem because his mother will do it. If me not cook, no problem. His mother will do it, Raga. And then me get frustrated. And then he come like, me can't talk to him or no. Me can't talk to him nor the sister no we at all because I see them yard me there. So me do my move out. And me leave them. So because him no want me and him for left no Raga, him just, me don't know the money part just right as me say. So it's like him a pay me 60 years.
Yeah, but you still not answer me, you know. What is it about Soji where you like?
Alright, the Soji now, Raga, I'm just the one kind of clear off the surface between me and the original one. For the next
Oh, okay.
Sometime
So Soji really not serve no purpose then. Soji is just dead if it
purpose. Him not really serve no purpose, Raga, but sometimes him really dead for me. You understand what I mean? It's like
right.
No matter how much time him come, if I even one time or two time, him coming just valuable to me. If you understand what I mean, like me get time to talk to him and me not feel no stress and all him something there. You understand? The ear just clear, the atmosphere just right.
Okay.
Even though me not see him, a good while.
Sometimes when you
sometimes just article.
The talking just article. So Soji is a man where you can reason with on a certain level. On a certain level where you wish you could have actually reason with the man where you're there with, don't it?
Yes, Raga.
Okay, Mr. Ware. But before you go do it, so when you say I send on good money, like give me an idea now what kind of good money? Give me a second. Eh?
Oh, what you say, Raga?
Yeah, when you say him still like him a pay you for stay and him a send on good money, give us some idea what you say when you say good money, like you know him a pay you for stay. What give us some example of what good money?
All right, then Raga. For on Christmas, I never spend a dime. I get my comforter, I get my curtain, I get my arm, I get my saril. I not even have to spend $1. All him say is Merry Christmas. Raga, me not even give phone a salt.
But when me I say like, all right. But when me I say like in general, when him a give you good money, like how much is good money?
Well, sometimes it's and if you give me like a 50,000 a month here, because I'm in a good job, you know, and a tree carry him have. Him have three taxis on the road. If you understand what I mean, him have three taxis. So
him have 3 taxis on the road, him in a good job, and him live with his mother, right?
Yes, Raga.
Okay, so you say...
I mean, so them no pop down, and look good boy, them no pop down, but him just spoil, Raga. Him just spoil.
So you say a month time you will get your 50 pack then?
Yes, Raga. Sometimes it come down to 40. It all depends.
Okay, Miss Wayas.
All
right then.
Raga.
All right, go and do your thing here.
All right, Raga. Pray for me, Raga. Just pray for me.
You want me to pray for you?
Yes, Raga. Pray for me.
All right, when I pray for you, when I must pray for God do for you?
Raga, pray that say, I'm in the time he has said me I go left again, him double the 50,000, Raga.
Okay, and from the money I send her, you're not left.
Raga don't have no problem. Since him give me the money.
Then hold on. You don't need no prayers then, man. You don't need no prayers.
Yes, Raga, me need the prayer. Me need more money.
No, you don't need no prayers then, man. You're all right, man.
All right, Raga. Take care. Love you.
All right, take care. Take care. Love you too, sweetie. All right. Yo, she's over prayer for you. Jamaica woman them a sample, you know, but nah, like Jamaica woman them thing just set away, yo. Trust me. Girl say, yeah, him just a pay for me stay, so I just take the money, me have my man on the side and ray. But Raga pray for me here, pray for me. Just pray. Okay, here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hi, Raga.
Greetings.
Wagwan. Long time listener, first time caller.
Brap.
Yeah. Raga, first of all, I want to big up all my friends them who tune in every day. The friends them overseas and the one them at Jamaica, the Alpha link up. Them know themselves. Alright, Raga, me have a mix up for one of my friends. Alright.
Yeah. Voila. You know, so me I go school, me see there with one alpha girl. Bad like a yas, man. Give me problem.
No, man, I'm being
Give me problem.
Alpha.
No, man, give me some problem.
Alpha, Raga.
But me don't know how una sister pitney, convent pitney, them I want to give so much trouble, man. Alpha girl. Bad like yas, man. But anyway, yeah, go on. Yes, so what you say?
Alright, one of my friends, alright, she with one guy from outer high school and thing, but she did migrate. So she had the guy there long time. You know, overseas she there and him there Jamaica, so them start to have like a problem. But she have one best friend at Jamaica too, whether Jamaica with a guy, where she always a confide in the girl. Tell her every little thing. You know your best friend, you tell them everything. Only you don't know what the best friend go do. After she a confide and I tell her all of the problems them, the best friend not go get the boy sort out, too she can game. The best friend she tell everything.
Hold on. What him did there? What him did there again?
Him there Jamaica. And she there foreign. Yes. And every little thing she tell the best friend. Everything about the relationship she tell the best friend. 1 week my friend cry for.
So all the friend find out say her best friend girl.
The boy come confess to her. The boy go confess to her, man. I tell her everything about how him I confess him. I try move on and everything. So I don't know what I'm doing, but him confess everything. And talk about all our best friend no good. Because she has been sort out. Yeah, man.
So what, him they confess other things too?
No, yeah, man. Enough everything him confess. Him claim to say him confess everything. I try wipe out all the friend and I talk about how him sleep with all the friend. But she find out say true, because the friend did talk and say true. But me mean it hurt her, man. Everything she tell the best friend.
And she ball for a week.
She ball for a week non-stop. Not even not eat. I never know so somebody could have go a week without eating raga. No eat nothing. Just a ball so.
No, man, when the pressure take care of your ball, you never hear Jamaica and say your ball till you draw. You know, you're maga down. Jamaica have a term, I say she draw, me not lie, she draw bad. That mean you're maga down, man. The pressure that take you, stress that take you.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
She ball, man, to this, our boyfriend go get her friend.
Again, me I ask you this as a woman. Me a man and me a talk to you as a woman. And sometimes I say some things on the radio and people think so I just do it for entertainment. You told this is an entertainment show. But the amount of times me I hear when woman best friend screech upon them, broke them foot and go take them man on the side and whatever. Me I tell you say it's like a common thing.
Because just thinking about it, when me I go call it something like that did happen to one of my friends and the friend left out her bed the morning and go sleep with her man the next day, raga. Big thing. We couldn't believe it.
Our best friend left. What you say? No, explain it. What you say? The friend left out of which bed?
We live on the dorm, right? And we are not asleep. We sleep in the same room. She left out of the friend bed. And she left out of the bed the morning and go over the man. Estelle, go sleep with the man.
so she
sleep with the girl, man.
So she and the woman are best friend, and the two of them are sleeping at the same bed.
Yeah.
And she get up out of that bed, they left the friend and go over the man and still go sleep with him.
Go sleep with the man, Raga. I couldn't believe it. She be a face, but then I text the girl and say she in love. So like, Raga, you want to know how the girl find out. She said like the boy might get nervous, you know, because he feels like because the girl talk about she in love, you know, Raga. So he might get nervous and I say, I wonder if the girl I go spill. So the boy in front of her now, you know. And the girl, she saw her text coming in. So she was like, when may I get the text here from the person? What she mean by you and her in love? And he must say, yo, I have something to tell you. I mean, really, my talk, the text them are coming in. Say, how much them is. Raga, I see him out there. Raga, I see him. Like my little clique, you know. So everybody thinks that we are the same, you know, man.
Oh.
Man.
No, but based on your knowledge of them things that we are going right now, if you have any girlfriend right now, you say your best friend.
Of course.
All right. You make any adjustment with them with respect to your man?
Oh God, Raga. Me feel said though. Big man thing, Raga, we did kind of find a girl if stayed away there from a long time. We could have put nothing past her. You know them way there?
Oh, it was a little techie, no?
Yeah, man. I give rat cheese a longer time.
Okay.
You know, I give rat cheese a long time, so you go on easy with it. But you don't know your friend and you, over the years, they kind of build up a certain trust. But my
so you are friend.
You don't know you have to keep your
you are friend right now where you can trust around your man, right? That you say.
Yeah, Raga.
And you know so them not violate.
Them not violate, Raga. Not violate.
You're sure about them, right? They would have never ever violate. Eh? What?
Me sure about it, Raga.
That's how you laugh, so. Oh, you laugh, so. But let me ask you something. Your friend when did broke, the one who did broke your broke her best friend foot. Don't she sure about she too?
We did kind of. Remember, tell you all the things here now. We kind of, you know, over the years, we kind of get a little bit more confidence in the person and say, yo, the person would do certain things.
Oh, okay.
So at the time, I kind of like, we kind of like get our guard down and I say, no, man.
Okay. But you know the suspect said she did a wobble for a long time.
For
a long time. All right, me understand what you say here.
Yeah.
All right, bless you.
I'm hold up on. Why you call and talk the things them? But they don't want to see them.
A girl or boy?
Them and do something, they kill me.
Hold on, a girl or boy? Girl or boy? A little boy.
Yeah.
I love you mix up, no?
Why you call and talk the things them?
Talk the things, mommy, talk. Hey, you know, say, one grandmother carry her grandpitney go, doctor. So, you know, them private doctor, you sit down quiet in them little room, right?
Yeah.
So everybody sit down quiet. And say, all of a sudden, you look at 3-year-old too, you know, say, in bus. Talk the things, them! Talk the things, them! So there's just some people look around now and, you know, cause, you know, I'm kind of studio place. And them say, what is wrong with him? What is wrong with him? And the grandmother said, no, Raga, I listen.
Alright, then anyway, Raga, keep up the good work. You don't know every day I tune in to you. And the Alpha Link.
Yeah, man, blessings to you and all the Alpha Link. Big up yourself. Yeah, big up your baby father, big up your youth and the whole linky.
Yeah, man. Thanks, Raga. Have a good day.
Manners and respect. Cool. Man, here we go. All right, Volleyball mix up for any other sample shell down. Yo, me say this thing here with friend I take. Me nah lie, you know. You have man out there who I look them bread, you know, man, you know. You have that. Me nah lie. We know that too. You have man out there who are screech behind them bridge and I look them bridge, you know. But me don't know, I could be wrong, people. I could be wrong. But me just feel say the level where it exists with woman. One time gone, you'd have more find say a woman would have never violate. Well, that mean the thing. Would have never violate and go take her girlfriend, man. You understand? You know? Or linky, man. That woman do it. Me don't know, for some reason it's like the thing flip, you know. Me can't tell you how many times I hear about mix up a woman I broke them friend foot and I take them friend, man. Straight take each of them. You understand? Here we go to the phone line. Good afternoon. Hello.
Pastor Raga.
Wow.
My heart a beat. My heart a beat.
No, that is a good thing, you know, because when it now
beat hard a while ago. Me don't know what.
Why?
Because up on the line and wait and all of a sudden my heart start beat harder.
Well, what? Something did say what touch your card? You take your friend, man?
No, Raga.
Oh,
no, Raga. No, Pastor Raga. Me have a volleyball mix up, but hear me I say. You see me?
Yeah.
Me not trust no girl with my man. Not even my mama. Not even my mama. Me not trust no girl.
No girl you trust. Not even your mother you trust on your man.
Not even my mama, not even my daughter. Me not trust with my man. No girl. That me a make
Why?
Me say, me did tell my mama sitting already and she go tell back one of my uncle when me did say. So, me not trust her with no man, nobody.
So what that, But what that have to do with man?
No.
That nah, nothing.
Me no mean she protect my man feeling up. But when me say it come on to me, that for sure you say, oh, the trust God, me not trust no girl with my man. Cause one of my sister-in-law they take with my man already and me not trust no girl.
Oh, okay.
That
Sister-in-law.
Me and the man never did even there yet, but me I try get out some things out time and the girl go behind my back, but take him. So,
okay.
Yeah, that
so no woman you trust around your man?
No woman, no cousin, no family, nobody. That me I tell you, oh. Anyway,
you nah switch from that.
Yeah, but nah switch. Anyway, I want to ask you a question first before me give you a look at volleyball mixed up.
Yeah.
You there with a bonner man, see? For like 8 years.
No, yeah, say like a woman. If a woman there with a bonner man.
There with a bonner man for like 8 years, see? And you decide to tell the man, say, boy, you want done the relationship or you want end it. And the man going to make you know, say, Raga, you can't go so me alone, can't make that decision. How do you think about that?
You have your man and you have a bonner man. And you and the bonner man I do the things them for 8 years.
Yeah.
And then you say to the bonner man, say, you want done. And the bonner man I going to tell you, say, you alone can't make that decision.
I'm a mad.
It's not up to you alone.
Kind of sitting. Eh?
What? Am I do what? And I do what?
Say me mad. Me I take all kind of coke and this and that. And it can't end. It can't go so on a beer thing. What you think, Raga? I wish I know mad.
Well, him mother.
Him mother, don't it?
Him mother. Depending on what I go on, him mother. Because the truth is, if him want done it, him can done it. If you can done it, you can done it. But they hear them have one saying, when you're in a lion mouth, take time, take you out and sitting. So he must know what he know about you, our secret him have fear, what him can do back to you, or how him can do it.
The man said, me alone can make that decision. And him not take them talk there. You get what I'm saying?
No man, then you see what you do now with somebody like that now. You know, just done it so sudden with them, you know.
Oh. Take time out.
Yes, man. Yes, it's all like that. You say, all right, them a careers about it now. And then you make sure say you listen to what them have to say. And men love going like say them bravado and them in control and whatever. So what you do now, you have to make him feel same in control. Right? And that's a generalship, you know. Make him feel say him around the thing. And if you do it smartly, you will make him make the decision for done it. And I'll know him not know say you make him make the decision.
Okay.
For do what you want him to do. You have to do it like what? But you say anyway, you just go reject him so after 8 years. He might just feel small and he might get defensive if he might one of them.
I always have the problem there when me I tell them say done them no one done. Eh? One of them did bite off my finger already.
One of them bite off your finger when you tell him say
yeah,
you have all
kind of drama.
Yo, you have all kind of drama where you can't run. I think I can't say them on the radio because people talk. You can't get all a woman, you know. For draw a film, you know. And go catch him all a sort out the woman, you know. A woman don't even mind, you know. And thing and all them little thing there. And just done it right there and get vexed with him and thing. All kind of card you can't draw, man.
All right.
Your best bet right now if you just take time draw from him and just make him feel like him in control. And
all right, my daddy. That's why I love you, so, you know.
Well, and don't tell him say it done, you know. Just start do a whole heap of things where you know him not like. And make him reach a point where him just say, you know, I can't even bother with you, man, because you walk this and whatever. Yeah, make him all come on, and you see all three all dirty underwear they run pan all the ground as him walking and whatever. Make him say you get nasty, you don't even look on him and whatever. You just say, my house, my place, what happened to you? If you don't like it, go on and think. And they make him cut.
All right, my daddy. That's why I have to love you, you know, because you're the teacher. You're the pastor. You're everything for it. You're a counselor. You're a liar. Trust me,
well, I am man, I bite off your finger.
I bite off my finger, Raga. Raga.
If I bite off your finger, because you now make him bite something else, no?
No, catch you, me that push it up in his face.
No, don't say that no more, you know. Don't say. So you did not give him a facial?
You made a push it up in his face and 2 bars in his face.
Well, you can't go beauty shop and give him a facial, man.
Yes, I bite you off.
Well, you clean clean out him pores, man. Anyway, give me a mix up. Give me a mix
yes,
up.
Raga.
Yeah.
Yeah, I give you one little mix up, boy. My brother, man,
Yeah.
me I sit down one evening, I watch 7 o'clock news, you know. So me hear the news, I say, call my brother name, the 2 right name, you know. And the news say him meet in a car accident. And like them I go a country and him and him spouse meet in an accident. And Raga me that eat some overnight rice and peas.
Yeah.
You see, when me hear the news, me say Raga, and me hear the tune name, me say, Jesus Christ, Raga, and me dash with a plate of food. And me start to ball. Cause you know, say me's a baller, you know. When me start balling, you know, Raga, me start vomit, you know. Me say, me start ball, you know. And me left the plate on the ground and me go out on the street now. And hear me, Jesus Christ, my brother dead. My brother dead. People start come out of them yard now, and I say, what to you? Me say, my brother dead. That time, you know, say, cellular phone, and I running a brother Raga. And me I tell you, say, me ball, and me go to that street, and me start vomit up the rice and peas, you know. Me ball, and I, whenever I cellular phone, I did just like house phone. Me make 2 calls, and me can't get nobody. Me make all over. I call who me know we can't call off the house phone. Can't get nobody. Me did and I couldn't sleep the night. I dying for daylight, you know, to go for my brother yard, you know. Man, them time them did live in one little garrison area, and you know, you can't even go there at night. At night, come down, and you can't go certain place at night. I mean, I dying for daylight, you know, Raga. Raga, you swear me dead at him early morning, and me I go up there alone, Raga. You don't know what I say? When me I look up the road, me see one crowd of my brother gate. Jesus, me say, me put on another piece of balling again.
Right.
Hold up. And me say, that time me believe now, you know, come I say, yes, I him now, cause the crowd there at the gate.
Yeah,
me say, Raga, a ball so till a week. Me vomit already.
Hey, you know what say, enough people that reach, you know, particularly with names that come on, like, you know, say David Smith and all them name there, and thing. Only for thing, them people that reach, hear the things them over the news, and, you know, particularly mothers always have it hard, you know, when they hear them something.
I say, oh, my one brother gone now, him gone now.
I never him.
And me is a baller from man, you know, the least good thing me ball, you know. All yesterday, me there.
Hold on, at the ball where you did that was a fling down yourself and ground and ball, them type of ball.
That day was the ball in there. You understand, but otherwise balling, I just long I saw when me there funeral, long I water just a come from underneath the dark glass.
That's a word, man.
Just a go down, so.
All right, that's a word.
Raga, me I big up to somebody, big up An Blenda and IrieJam.
All right.
Yeah, I'm a cousin Maria from Rima. Everybody
yes,
know me. Bless
all right, bless up here.
Yes, Pastor Raga.
All right, baby, that's all right. People, before we break for the 4 o'clock, all of my get-up people, let me want to listen. Let me tell you something. Me don't know nobody, no other group of people who ball like black people, ghetto people. Not even uptown black people ball like ghetto people when them there funeral. Me attack the type of ball where people fling themselves down in a grave when casket a go down and a wiggle up in a dirt and ground. But we never go one of them funeral yet. I see some people just stiff out on the ground and bend up in a S and Z. And Emily.
Them just fling down them body.
Fling down them body. You ever go one of them funeral like
yeah, man. And it's a key thing we get up people see. Yep. A key thing what Jennifer say, you know. When she say a fear brother, she run go to door. We have this thing where if something happen, somebody will have to go to door to make the world know. We just have to ball in at the middle road.
And you know say that's true. Some of them not balling. Them have to run go to the road
then
and
the
fling down
balling
themselves in the road.
Yeah.
Fling down themselves in the road and I know it. Why? No, pick the boy. Whatever. But it's only ghetto people I say do it.
True. It's like the balling have to come after them go to the gate.
You see, sometimes in a church, you know, see one of them just stiff out in a church, you know, man.
And
I'll find somebody after a whole person, you know. And I ever see people that fling themselves down in a grave and a ball and I put me in there too.
Yeah.
Put me in there too. We don't want to stay here. We don't want to stay here. Put me in there too.
Lord God.
Give me a gun, let me kill myself. No, it's only ghetto people people icy balls, so it's only when me I grew up and I feel that I get the people fling themselves.
Hey, Jennifer good as the best. Jennifer said sharp vomit out the rice.
No, you ever see how people are ball, big people are ball,
Yeah, man.
and you know like, well, no, you know like them a kick them foot. Like the foot a kick.
Yeah.
It a banana straight, the banana straight.
I'm gonna tell you another thing
go around
too.
in a circle.
Or remember I tell you this before the news. And when them a ball, some clothes have to lift up. Is either the shirt or the skirt or but something have to come off. Them just have to
tear off or sitting or whatever, yeah.
Or the
wig. Yo, big up all I get the people who bust them sample ball in the mud. Okay, I will elaborate. News are forward and we'll soon come back to the phone line, auntie.
I mix up and blend that time. I'm want to call and talk up the things them.
Yeah, man, sailing at this back, you understand? How that? Okay. Yeah, man, running back on the sitting, you don't know, so we used to mix up and blend that straight. I went up on the ball and mix up. I ain't had a mix up. Me and your host, Ragashanti, the king of mix up. That's my name. The principal, Miss Cherry Washbelly. Big up my dead mama gone, but there I hold it for you. See me large up on yourself. Indeed. Okay, to the phone lines we go again. Good afternoon. Hello. Mix up and blend that straight. We say hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
Hello.
Yeah.
Because I have some advice on what to do.
You called to ask me, you're going to have to talk up loud here.
Okay.
All right, what me tell me quick, yeah.
I'm in this relationship with my baby father. Each time, I don't live with him, you know. I used to, but I move out and live on my own now.
Right.
Each time I call him, like, what's up? What, they're not coming to look for me. He's like, he's busy, he's at work, and I don't really have any time for me. All the time he come is when him coming to give me like money and those stuff. And I understand like one time for the week, every fortnight, one income like on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and gone back home. But that not enough for me. You understand?
Okay.
So in the
How long now this agwan? How long now this agwan?
From last year.
Yeah, but we're not February.
I know him 3 years now, you know. 3 years now I know him.
How much up in the last year it agwan? Like from when in the last year?
No man, I know him from last year. I live with him for 1 year. And I moved out 2 years now.
Listen to me. Say, how long now you're only seeing him for say once a week or once every 2 weeks, every fortnight? So how long now that I go on?
Like year and a half now.
So for year and a half now, you only see him once a week or once every 2 weeks, and I'm your baby father, right?
Right.
So what you think happened?
I don't really know, but in that process I get caught up with someone else.
Okay.
I've been talking to someone else for a year now. And he come and go, and he don't really know about the other person.
Oh, your baby father don't know about the other person?
Right.
Oh.
Every now and then he asks me like, you have man, yes, you have man, and all those little stuff. And I say, I don't know where you are here. If me have man, I don't know about that. I understand how this be nice. So we got in a fight one day in December. The last part of December, I think it was Christmas night coming on. And we haven't talked like much on the phone and whatever.
All right. Listen to what going on. You see, you already know what going on, you know, and you have taken steps to address the absence of the man in your life already. So you are really working it out already, you know?
Mm-hmm.
You pick up what going on already. You have a good understanding of what going on, and you have already done what you think you needed to do, which is to make sure you take care of yourself. So you start talk to a next man who, you know, who in a film where him dead and present in your life in the way where you want a man present. So in a way you already deal with the problem, you know?
Yes.
Yeah?
So the tour start down. So is December coming right down to January. I'm at home one Sunday next morning. So the next man come over.
Darling. Don't. I'm not being rude here. I'm not being rude. But you know, I said this is a mix-up show, and what I'm hearing from you is that you really want to share what is going on, you know?
But I'm getting down to the part where you want to hear.
No. All right, go on. Go on, yeah.
All right, coming down now in this here now. Him start get curious, like him I say, in here say, something going on with me and somebody else, and that's true. And you understand? So me keep denying it. So one morning now, he didn't tell me that he was coming, and he come and he saw the other person. So he went home. He said he went home and was crying and all of that and all of that. So the next person.
Well, your baby father come catch the. Well, the baby father come catch you with the other man at the house where you always are denying about.
Catch the other man inside the house because I wasn't inside the room. I went outside, so I didn't know that he came. Somebody come and told me that he came inside the room. So
and then what your baby father do? Left and up and did I cry on a ball?
Yes, go home, go cry, and then call me. So I said, I'm not going to call him. Because I don't really know what to say to him. So him called me and asked me why I do this to him. He said, do what? He said, I have one next man with him. So I turned to him and I say, when we want you, you're not around. So anything happen, I just your fault. He said, I come back, come look for me, come back and him all and him cry and him cry. He go on and go on and go on. He keep telling me delete the man number, stop talking man and all that. So he keep searching the phone, him a watch him, a search him, a watch him, a find things. And me I say, me can't bother with it because me can't live no hide and seek life because if me ever talk with somebody, me can't go down the road, me can't go no, me can't never just in a house and with him, if me go know where he want to follow me and all of them something there. So, me just kind of get uncomfortable with the idea. So, me said to him, say, give me some time, let me get to know what me want and what I'm going to do. He not do that and all that. So, last night, yesterday, I went down the road and I didn't know that he was following me. He followed me go round and round, and when I come back, when I was coming back up now, he told me that me see him behind, in a house with him. And I said, what problem? Why you trail me? Him stand up and watch me down the next man yard for 45 minutes, nearly 1 hour. And all of that. So, in time I go. So, I'm go on.
Hold on. You see what I tell you? You see what you're going in is a lengthy story that is, again, I don't mean to be rude, but it's not really a mix-up. It's really a counseling situation you're in right now. And what I'm saying to you is that everything you're telling me thus far, there's some problems in a relationship, but you're actually dealing with it, The problem them when you deal with and how you deal with it's not uncommon for a whole heap of people I got through. But you go through 1 year of this way, him just not there. And you make some adjustments and him no want you to make them adjustments. I guess him just want you to sit down at the house like figurine and then I wait for him every fortnight or whatever.
But yesterday him say I go home. And when I think he got home, he come back about 3 times.
Hold on, man. And you can't tell me about 10 other things to where you and him I got you. And it going still fall under the same line. You no longer put up with where I'm going with. And you have taken some steps to take charge of your life. And him can't deal with this. And perhaps I get defensive and I blame you. And think, but you deal with it and you got you. And it's either him play ball and come round. Or you go keep on and take care of yourself. And it will still add up him and cause him stress and whatever. But again, what I'm saying is everything I've said so far, you have some problems. But you deal with it. And just go and deal with it and just hope for the best. So everything turn out as best as possible. Whether or not you and him end up together, or whether or not you just reach a point where you realize that, well, the best thing is to just make him go and support him, but you can't in a relationship with him. Yeah?
Okay, then.
All right. Okay, to the phone line we go, to the phone line we go, to the phone line. Go ball, mix up or any other mix up. Good afternoon, hello.
Hello?
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 Yes, hello.
You hearing me?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, I don't have any mix-up or anything. I just want to ask you something. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Right. See, a virgin, right, is having sex for the first time. And what normally happens to the virgin happens to the male instead.
Yes.
What that mean?
Was the man having that for the first time too?
No.
It is not unusual. All right. Yeah, this is what happened. Well, if it was the first time to a lot of people don't know, but there is a certain thing on the base of the male instrument that can actually burst to, like whenever you do the first time and stuff. But you say it's not the first time. However, if you have a woman who has never sought out before, depending on how the man thinks set, when him a do it, it can it is quite common. It is not unusual, I should say, for in trying to gain entry and a work and all them way there and so forth. And perhaps if him not really know exactly what him a do, it can cause, shall we say, little scrapes and so forth, which can lead to that thing happening where usually happen to the woman when she had do it for the first time. You understand what I'm just saying?
Yeah. Yeah.
It makes sense? Yeah, so with the parade, so I have to fix it up.
I understand.
Yeah, man. Basically, it can be the case where the woman who is doing it for the first time is such that there is so much difficulty there that in trying, in making that effort to access there, it causes fissures and, little bit of injuries and so forth, I guess you could call it, that can lead to that thing happening.
Okay.
So it's not unusual, yeah?
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
You're most welcome. Take care. Here we go. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Dr. Raga.
What's up?
Nothing. My mix-up about my boyfriend. Day before yesterday, we had the things, in the mig light, I tell him to stop. Why me tell him to stop is because me want boo-boo. So, he start ball, and I tell him, say, to stop when him almost reach the so and him a ball in a raga, like baby.
Voila. Well, you did tell him, say, you did tell him, say, boo-boo, you want boo-boo?
No, I don't tell him, say, boo-boo.
What?
Stitches reads again, and he reads here. Someone says, stop. And he vexed with me.
Him don't know why you stop then? Him don't know why you stop. What you do after you tell him stop? What you do?
Me jump off him with my pedal.
And go do what?
Me go a bathroom.
And go a bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. You jump. You and your boyfriend are do the things them. You find out say you want boo-boo and you tell him to stop and jump off and go.
Mm-hmm. And him stop will say, no, you see, after when him drive out and come back, him ask me if I couldn't hold it. And I ball and I say, him almost dead, so I'm just stop him, so and something.
But like real balling, like cow balling or just ball?
Real ball. And then him start cuss me and say if me did do with somebody else, then would hold it and whatever. Real balling. Temper and all.
Sorry, when I laugh off five or anything. It's just that, well, in general, a lot of men can't deal with that. It's once them get in another zone there, you know. It's like, it's just one thing there on their mind. But
Yeah, because in the whole
no, but I don't think it's something for your ball. Eh?
In the whole for me tight and never want to let me go, you know.
No,
You don't
but
need to have the grip there.
me know, but so you couldn't hold it?
No, Raga.
Why?
You mad? It's
What,
the
it's in a
boo-boo
combo?
for him and that cranny.
Okay, all right. No, well, I don't blame you, because I'd rather you stop and don't, because it would be worse than, you know.
Mm-hmm.
It would be uncomfortable for both of you if that occurred, right?
Yeah.
If the boo-boo
It
occurred.
vexes me same way though.
You know, we will get to a fight. But what me I say is that I don't know if a man ball about. Me don't know. Me don't know.
Raga, stop it. Me talk low. Him ball for everything. All what day me can't, me never gonna make it know. What day when I look at thing escalate what day, and him ball and say about say me not send whatever to him, but me and saying to other people and really him ball.
Hold on. Me can't call your wall name. You mind? Are you?
Raga. Yes, I'm.
Are you?
No say no. Yes.
All right. Oh, me never know how you. Wait, are you out with it? Tell me something.
Raga.
No, well, it look like it does. They would have very.
Yeah, him sensitive bad.
Yeah. No, if him a listening show me, I'm gonna tell him straight, you know.
No, I'm gonna say nothing. Probably my listen.
No. Listen to me. Me just tell him straight. Say, me, I one of them man that would say there is nothing wrong with a man cry. However, it depends on when him cry and how him a cry. For example, no woman ever get upset with a man who cry on funeral for a relative. But if I fling down himself on ground and a ball and a whatever, and I know him mother, I don't know, Jamaican people will look on him funny, right? Some woman can work with a man and watch a good movie and ball. You understand? Some woman can't deal with it. Some woman don't want a man ball at all. But what I would suggest to him is that him can't ball up the thing. So he have to go man up at some point. He have to go big man up the thing, because you know, if he listen straight, in general, woman no like man ball. And it's not the act of crying that they like. They don't like what it implies and what it signifies and what it represents, which is a kind of fragility, a kind of weakness. Women don't like that, you know. So him probably need fit. And again, you know, there's nothing wrong with a man a cry, you know, in certain circumstances. But no woman don't want a man who ball. Woman in general.
It's overbearing, but you know me I work.
Yes, man. Yeah, but what me keep it real and I tell you straight. Say, I work with it now, but anyhow, him don't shape up and whatever. You gotta reach a point where you get tired of it. Me not ask him, I tell you that. And him for know that. You are gonna reach a point where you gonna get tired of it, and you're gonna say, Jesus, God, him is a nice man, wonderful man, cool, but me can't take the balling, and that you're going to pass. So him have to, you know.
Big up my ex-man. Very good while know this, when I go to school and him say, him find out me I talk to one next guy, and then him say I'm gonna left me, right? But I never want him left me. And when I go in here, I'm going to the bathroom and I drop water in my eye, pipe water in my eye, and ball. But he never real though. And ball.
And trick him say ball.
Please don't let me, yeah.
And then him stay with you.
Him stay, but I did left him anyways.
But you did
find out about him and one girl.
Okay. So you comfortable I left him, but you don't want him left you?
No man nothing left me.
No man nothing left you. Any left thing I go on, you for left them, though?
Yeah.
I say, you want the right stool around you, man. You want the right real man around you, man. For run your head, man.
Before I go, why my cousin call the program and I talk about say big up, you know who, and about my sex, whatever.
Sex on stage and something like that. Some of that for dress her up quick now. But let's say a word. Here, bless up here.
All right.
Okay. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Yes, Mr. Family Counselor.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, all gone.
There
Raga, this morning, when you come on today, you did mention about drink lemonade and so forth. But I want to tell us the lemonade are the boss, you know.
Then a big video that big it up.
Yeah, man, it's the boss, man. But hear me, I say, no, Raga. You feel like I have a cancer fish is a national dish.
Yeah.
I believe lemonade should be the national drink still. Yeah, man. Come to think of it, man. Outstanding, man.
No, I would strongly support that, you know.
Yes, man.
The Jamaica's national drink, lemonade.
Yes, man, for real, man.
No, for real, no. That would have my support. I don't know which other drink they can come up with that make me say, well, I can't, you know, but
so
lemonade.
Refreshing. Raga?
Yeah, is it a lemonade or some people are going to vex, but me like ginger beer too.
Okay.
It's a national drink. Got ginger beer. But anyway, See, that's the man. So what you saying?
Yeah, what I'm saying, I don't really have a topic, a mix-up by my topic right now, but I give a look about a look boy and his grandfather.
Yeah, rinse it quick.
He live with his grandfather, but the grandfather beat him every night the same price, but the grandfather don't want no price to teach the grandson. So one particular night now, the local boy, the time near for the local boy getting beat now. So I remember the boy, the time the near thing, he said, tonight again, Papa Jesus, have mercy for me. The grandfather here must jump up. Them boy, you have that good prayer, me have peace every night to say.
That time the grandson appeal to God, right, you know.
Right, when you remember a liquor, you might go get any time the near. You know?
See, in times that crisis we produce, don't it?
Exactly. So we have to still tell the youth to do something. Teach him. Don't just beat him and him don't know what he's supposed to do. You understand?
Well, many of our parents need to know that, don't they?
Yes, brother. So
respect
every time. Yes,
yeah, man. Yeah, man. Protection. My next caller, good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greeting.
Yes, Raga.
Uh-huh.
The first time I call a program, I'm about a regular listener.
It goes so, yeah.
Anyways, before I start, I want to big up all of the St. Jude's girl.
All right.
I have a volleyball mix-up for girl, Raga. Right now, I take it as a joke because I overcome it. But may I tell you, say all the mothers, them, may I ask them to please inspect on the child and be careful with the whole heap of germs thing because it's not pretty meningitis are grown.
Okay.
Anyway, no, Raga, I did get one OC work on Barry Street for the Christmas, and my time expires, so they make me work on Saturday, which I'm glad still, because I make a muckle. Anyways, now my baby a teeth, and in my fever, so I think say that give him the fever. So I scout him down now to start the morning and give him Panadol jabs and go work and leave him with my sister and my grandmother. Anyways, now my day at work. And normally in a Raga, through the Chinese man mean, but normally rob him, and take up things and him stop my day. But that day, them never feel like to do nothing. So, you hear me?
Yeah, ma'am, I hear you, ma'am.
Anyway, now I call home and I check on him and I say, oh, my baby, them say him just wake. So I say, all right, them say, yeah. Them. So I say, if anything, call me back. Because my spirit just not feel right. Rather, you see, 18 minutes after 4, I get a call, so my baby stiff note. I roll over, fever flare up in my head. And as somebody, I tell her the story in Raga. I say, Raga, when I hear, I dash with the money. I don't know what I do the people their money. And the gate, the lock with the padlock. And I say, Raga, I have a papa off the lock. And one girl have to come pull the gate. I should pull the gate, I don't shoot through. I run go straight down Barry Street. The way me I run, them think I rob me, I get robbed. And when me I run, them I say, oh, wow, me I run over there, pan. What's it not, oh, God. Them I say, God, sorry for cuss bad words. Spare my baby, spare my son. I swear me serve you. And anyway, Raga, I run from Barry Street, come straight in a Tivoli in Raga. Reach one part named Lizard Town. You hear about that?
Yeah, man, we know about Lizard.
Yeah.
Right beside Corey.
Yeah. I could run no more Raga as a ratty, me see, and jumping on the soldier jeep and ball and so on the camera on me and my baby stiff node. You see, by the time the camera on me hard, Raga, I think my baby dead because through them I call me say me for her up and come. I think them away upon me for come now for carry my baby go to hospital. If some reach by my road, I be a crowd, I see me, I say them rush my public. So anyway, now the ratty camera at the center, because through a new system.
Hold on. Darling, I don't think I get it. It's like I tell me things what happen with cars on a football. And it's still a mix-up show. We just want... this what happened to you and your pitney, you know. You understand what I say? But I notice that most of the call, people just remember a time when them ball, and them just call and share a time when them ball. But them not really stop and think and say, oh, but does this fit in the show? You understand what I say?
Yeah.
Because what you talk about is a pretty serious thing. I don't know if you really laugh about.
Eh?
What you talk about now is a serious something. I don't know if you laugh about.
Hold on, Raga. When the police car go public, me a balling about me a cow balling and them say.
Hold on. I'm going to take a break.
I mix up and blend that time. I'm want to call and talk up the things them.
Yeah, man, welcome back. Yes, Carl. Yes, Carl, hello. Okay. Look like that, Carl. Hey, you don't know what, I'm going to change that topic tomorrow, Ruth, because I think, I don't know, it look like when people just hear ball, it's like them just remember instances of crying and them forget it's a mix-up show. So I notice most of the things that I hear, the people that I'm calling with in terms of the tone and the feel where I go out there to the people and where I prompt them for call is one where people want to share what one could consider to be counseling situations. You understand? And I think it has to do with the interpretation of the topic, which it has to do with bawling and crying and so forth. So people just remember instances when them did bawl or when them did somebody bawl. And it's really only 2 or 3 call really the locking on the right thing where we say, yeah, we are talking about bawling, but it still must be mixed up. So we could have to change the topic tomorrow. But could go and finish the show now. Good afternoon. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Raga?
Yeah.
Okay. I guess this could fall under the topic in the right way because it was when I was very young. I got married. And I never washed any men clothes before. So the first Saturday come now, both of us work. So the first Saturday come now where it was a wash day. You hearing me?
Yeah.
Right. So now, me take out the pants and everything, and the clothes and everything, all of my husband pants and so. And rather when me see the whole heap of pants them for wash, me put on a piece of ball in front of the clothes them. It have more water in the eye water, then full of the pan board and the water when me would have put in the pants for wash. And when my husband hear me outside the ball, him come. All the neighbors hear me a ball now. They must think say him over there beat me. When him come outside and say, can we a ball for? Me say, me never wash my pants yet in my life. I don't know where I put myself in now with this whole heap of summer go. A ball, until him say, all right, darling, come. We are going to get one helper. So that me just one fear from long time, brother, because...
Yeah, well, him see a ball and then go get help.
No, him ask me what go on, you know. I'm going to tell him. And him say, all right. We nobody wash them. Come. Because as a youngster, you know, we were both young, you know, so it's not like, say, him going to force me to do anything. I was a good cook. Him say, at least you can cook, you know, but I don't wash it. But me remember that day I put on a piece of ball. I know me feel a way about it because I say, boy, my father give me up as a married woman and this is a problem. I got to give my poor husband, you know. After that, me used to ball plenty, but when him come and ask, you know, say that I hope ladies, when them feel a little depressed, them cry differently now. Them a ball and her husband come and say, what happened to you? I hear them say, nothing. And the poor man don't know what to do, you know. So this whole balling thing with the woman, them, I don't know. What you think?
But woman use crying in a very even indirectly when them not mean to do it. Women use crying to control situations of.
But when they can ask you, what to you can't, you just say nothing. What the poor man gonna do?
What that?
when the man them come and say, what happened to you, darling? Why you crying? Oh, nothing. No, nothing. I said, backside. Yeah, cry so.
No, because very hard for the objective is not for the man really understand it. The man just, the fact say my ass want me to you, and that's the objective accomplished as far as the woman is concerned. He cares.
He cares.
Yeah.
It was so
no, hey, you know how much time in throughout my life me I argue with woman. I argue. And she a hold it and me I go toe to toe. I see any time. Very often when me put on my foot or something or whatever, or me come up with something where she gonna lose the match.
Yeah.
I lose the argument. I'm gonna put on my foot. I'm gonna put on my foot and say, I'm done with this. You take man for that or whatever. I right there, so the woman start ball.
Instantly.
Right there, so remember, I know she was a strong woman before, you know. When she did it, she was a strong woman before. And just when me I go win the argument, just when it really hit home, say, no, I'm done with the foolishness. Move from your son, go away. You understand? She start ball. Me, I hears them, they catch me with that. That not catch me anymore.
Well,
but you see, I mean,
I use that anymore.
Me in an argument with woman and she start ball. The worst thing she could have do, I go start ball. The worst, because my resolve just get stronger. At that time, I run her.
You just suck your teeth and leave.
Walk right out. And them a cuss you. Yes, because you're damn wicked. I saw you the time for a long time. You're not a good man. You're a dirty man. You just step on here. You're going like you're nice. You're going like you're nice. Me don't even look for them. You're gone, me gone. No woman not catch me with Bali. They're not catching me with Bali. Anyway, bless up here.
Bless up yourself. Hey, listen, Raga. I noticed, you know, you really look out for your people there. I love that. Yes, sir.
All right.
Yeah,
that's our word here.
Yeah, man.
Okay. You're dirty, Kedisha. Oh, gosh, man. Raga, I really don't want you to change the topic, but them people, I want some bog stone field. Oh, big stone field. Oh, some big stone for true. Okay. No, well, kids, all it go is like, the people, them relate to it in a wrong way, you know? So, you can't control the people, but you can control the topic. And control the show. All right, here we go to the phone line. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah.
First time caller, long time listener.
All righty then.
Regarding today, the caller who called, said her Bonaman was a soldier in the army.
Yeah.
And then they got shot out and she said anxiety a kill him. Nothing about Raga. It's pop down, the man pop down. And me to tell you, can be for that soldier. The all of them pop down. May you know if I the food where the army I give them hour, but you say once them get to cotton tree gate.
No, but hold on. I am confused now. You know why? We have always understood it in Jamaica that some of the fittest, most virile, strongest men are soldiers. We were most Jamaicans have the understanding.
So the test them where them make them do like running up and down because just the other day my baby father have to run from Linstead to go money. So trust me, them start out now say nothing. You see before the army, before him going out, him start out with a shot. It did that happen. It did bad. It did shell down. I'm kind of teaching one of the things, yeah? But you see, after, never turn nurse, never turn actress. I don't know what I'm going to do, except say this why, that alone.
But yes, so him start out pop down after him turn soldier?
No, of course. I mean, it done. You have to say, it gone, not that again.
Well, on, you know any other woman who there with soldier will have the same problem?
Yes, sir, God. Them nothing.
No, man. Mine you just assess so, you know. Mine you just assess so, you really don't know about it.
Raga, listen to me. You want to know about Mixup? Up part camp, you go.
Me know that, man. Me get some good Mixup out there. But what I'm saying is, honestly now, do you know of any other woman who there with soldier who are complaining of the same problem, say, the soldier them pop them?
Listen to me, I talked to him on the phone one night, and him party in the background, as him did I say,
I'm tired and this and that. And me did that customer and say, you're always tired. And in party in the background, I say, are you doing one of that? So he say, yes. Boy, you know, so just a while ago, it's the same thing my girlfriend say. Raga, the whole of them pop down. The whole of them. Them start out, once them go through Cotton Tree Gate, them start out no good.
Cotton Tree Gate, what name, sir?
After the gate where you go through, Raga, the big front gate, up part,
okay.
Call it Cotton
I know about Duppy Gate. I know about Duppy Gate down near Ambermark side. But the big one near Cotton Tree Gate, Tree Gate.
Right here at the front door, there's it's same one.
All right.
Once them go through this, so it.
Hold on. All right. Me don't vex, but let me throw a monkey wrench in that thing and tell me if you agree. Could it be that when they turn soldier, then get a whole heap of woman? And because them have a whole heap of woman, they can't manage all of them. Could that be the reason?
I can't talk about my own. I can't talk about mine only have.
Oh, you know, say you're one get a whole heap of woman. Hey, what day when the crisis? What day when the crisis did go on down at West Kingston, you know? Suppose you hear the woman them tell you, oh, them have to give the soldier them start out just to go PP and all them something there. The soldier them have a ball down there, you know, they start out the woman then left, right and center.
My own, maybe now, he might do it extra, but further up in the relationship, when I never have no ideas of what I'm real. But trust me, this is put down. It is still put down. So them that another anxiety nothing. Them start out just no. Them always tired. You have to turn masseuse, a massage, and nurse, especially when them do no training or nothing. You have to turn nurse and give foot massage and all sorts of things. It's a full-time work where I deal with them.
What, you have to do that for kind. No, you have to do that for kind of bill of advice to them get turned on and that you say.
Are a massage foot together?
No, ma. Are you saying you have to do all of them things if you get them to perform capably during Saturday?
But them some part of them ever hurt them. Them out. Them come like a little breast. Them needy.
No, but it sounds like you know, say American football players go through the same thing. That word, cut out that. You can't say that word upon radio, that. All right?
Oh, sorry, Raga, sorry.
So, but anyway, respect for what you ask. All right. Then let's say a word here. Okay. Well, some people agree, some people disagree, some people agree, some people disagree. And whatever. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Raga. First time caller.
All right.
Raga, listen to me. Me hear you say you're going to give up that. You're going to turn like the topic for tomorrow, for today. But me, after calling, I used to live with someone, and me used to give on and all of these things. One evening, I come home from college and see some bag at the grill. So I said to the person, why you leave the garbage drum out here? I got some white, you know, when I go to the supermarket, I get the white bag them. When I look in there, Raga, is my clothes them. So I say, why, what happened? Them find out, send me that cheat and all these things and decide, say, I need to leave. So I said, I'm talk it over, man, and all these things. The person don't do more than say, okay, fine. Give me a proper start out, and after the start out, Raga, instead of pack up. See the stuff them out there, just take them and go on downstairs when they're leaving. Raga, crying out of style, I couldn't stop ball. Because this person put me upon all these things, and me just couldn't believe it. A ball.
Walk you and chuck you.
Eh?
Walk you and chuck you.
Me say, but I swear it's rubbish. It's safe then they put in the black scandal bag and nobody not so bad, but clear scandal bag.
So yeah, everybody has to everything the whole night.
Raga, I couldn't believe him. I balled him, I them fat up.
Then wait, you didn't really abandon him for true?
But I'm telling you, I tell the person the night, say, listen to me, one of my friends met in an accident, and I go look see him up Mona rehab. That time the person call and everything and all these things. So I say, yeah man, I shall come look for whatever. But really and truly, I thought me they go sort out. So I come back in them search Raga and realize say whatever. So I just saw it did go.
Then, in other words, you think you didn't get what you deserve?
Yes, Raga.
Okay.
I deserve all when me get come there.
So when in search, when find for no say you did that give up?
I never get for clean up, Raga.
Nah, man, you think it will look more, man.
No, because remember say thief, I got thief and whatever. And somebody just said, hurry up, come and tell the person, I'm so come back. Somebody just said, hurry up and do what I have to do, and hurry up and go back home. So when we reach back home now, them say, they want whatever. You understand? You go to your bed with your husband and you know, say, yeah. Raga only for find out, say, I couldn't even reach in the bathroom first, straight in the room. Like, them didn't know what I'm up to something.
Right.
So when we go in the room now and them search and whatever, they insist them just done whatever.
So him search you?
Yeah, man, me.
Him search your body?
Right. So, I'm a ball and I love ball.
So then when him just look right this and no.
Right there, because you know like your instinct tell us say, no man, why is something not normal? And my mama tell her, I come home from school the evening and see the bag them outside. I swear say garbage. But not about me more than 50 say a clear scandal bag them pack up with something them that them could have used something else.
Then that thing that is obvious.
Very obvious.
So it was a good one, man. A good one you did get then, man.
And the person cripple, you know.
What?
Yes, Raga, the person cripple.
Wait, the what? The bonner man cripple?
Yes, sir.
No, but him can't.
Yes, Raga.
Cripple. Him can't cripple.
Him can't walk. And get shot
but
and
can't
walk.
But other things can stand up, right?
Yes, Raga, that a function.
Okay, because I'm go say. Okay, so when that go on, where do you go in a chair or?
Yeah, man, in the chair. We did have to do the workings.
You do the work in that chair.
Mm-hmm.
Then even at the and this, so you go so that's when you come back and Mr. Man look it was obvious wagwa.
No, guess what, Raga? Me never get, you know, when people come and all these things, you know, they feel wipe up on them like weird there. And that happen.
Anyway, yeah, man. So now you walk with your wives, them man.
Yes,
don't you?
yes, no, me stop giving them. Me stop giving, no, me stop giving.
You start giving on now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You have to go on with caution
all right.
now.
All right, now say a word here.
All right.
Take care.
You too.
Ruth, give me one last call. Hello.
Hi, Rado.
Yes,
Hello?
greeting. Yes, hello.
I have to usually me for close the show.
No, man, because at that time your call come in, yes.
Anyway, I have a little volleyball mix up. I don't really know if it's a shot or whatever. But here goes. My ex was this really macho guy, not the sensitive type.
Right.
One time we had an argument, and you know, you always talk about the things that we ladies do. We shower and put on the sexiest lingerie and the lotion thing.
Yes.
Do all of that, so I know say I'm going to want. So I say, all right, me and you. I make sure say I climb up on top of the bike. Do some hard riding to reach my destination.
Right.
And bail off, left him, and run down to the bathroom, go lock up.
Why you do that?
Just to get back at him.
Well, where did I get back at him for?
We had an argument.
And then
big argument, big cuss out and
right
thing.
As him reach a point, then you jump off a bike and run going to the bathroom.
Me reach my destination, I make sure someone get to my destination and leave him.
And
so now I'm going to the bathroom and lock up. Before,
We did that. Make
Yeah.
some preparation. We put in some candles and stuff because the bathroom light switch is on the outside. So in case him lock off the light on me, and put a book in there. And carry the car key in there with me as well, so I couldn't leave. So when we lock off in the bathroom, Mr. Man out there beat down the door and a ball. The man ball, I never expect. Mr. Macho to be crying.
I cry because him never get for
He not get to reach for him destination.
No, but he had the second woman that tell about man who cry with them thing that. Me never know say that I go on. Man a ball because he never get for papa.
You know, hear about the blue word, the blue thing.
No, me know about that. But what me say is, no, you see that you usually get that when you don't even do nothing, you know, because you see when you do something, there look a release a go on at the same time. You know. There's some little release a go on, but me never know some man out there ball
yeah,
because
man ball for
papa.
them things that I got. Worse than putting the guy road go do it because I have the car key inside with me.
Well, you see me, you know, you see when you see again, you know, me always tell a man, you see when I have something like me not act like me Iron Man and that wouldn't bother me, you know, me not lie. There's nothing more frustrating than if you reach a point and I not get to do it for do.
Yeah, no, that's
no, but you see to me, no say, uno want to see that impact that we're going to give uno the power. Me I hold it, you know, I care nobody else. Yeah, man. You see, when it kill me, whatever, but don't sit down and watch the TV like nothing about me. Yeah, I'm fake it till thine kingdom come.
Why Ragaman, so they said they let me off guard because I know I would have feel a way about it. But I never expect him
should have do about the same to you.
No, Raga, you think I have my little plastic man in my drawer. Can you help me?
What? So you have something in your top drawer?
Yes, man. But just want to make sure it's my battery.
You know, yeah, what them call it? Bob.
No, my one have a different name.
No, you don't know what Bob mean?
No,
battery operated boyfriend.
Okay then. We learned something new today.
Yeah, well, listen, we have a cut here.
Alright, Bob. You're a know me, I'm Bob, brother.
I mean here, Bob. Hey, man. Alright, take care. When we do it the last time, we did nearly clean up over with cheer some things where people are going with them phone and mistake what people are doing with them phone and some drama what happen when people do some crazy things with them phone, BBM, text, call, all kind of phone with dial, people are here message, people with phone dial people and people are here everything where one people who set up them phone for do a thing, people attract people with them phone. All kind of phone mix support. So we're going to change it to that topic tomorrow. Take care of people. 1 o'clock tomorrow we kick it off. See my blessings and respect. Outer road.